Kiki my superstar, Baba my superstar, baby my superstar. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. How they say you're going higher? Bo bo bo, you're going higher. Q Q, you're going higher. Daddy girl, you're going higher. How they say you're going higher? Bo bo bo, you're going higher. Q Q, you're going higher. Daddy girl, you're going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. A is for adhesive, B is for bobo, C is for QQ, D is for daddy bear. A is for adhesive, B is for bobo, C is for QQ, D is for daddy bear. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. La 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 super kids, we are going higher. La 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 la, we are going higher. Egu, 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 egu. Bawara egu e, bawara egu e, bawara egu ege ege, bawara egu e, bawara egu e, bawara egu e, bawara egu ege ege, bawara egu e. La 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 super kids, we are going higher.
I mean, that song is just so perfect. You know, it's just so perfect.
Nice.
It's so perfect.
Peppy.
It's just
Super
so
peppy.
perfect. We are back. Another day on the dollar. We're live. Live from the BDH. No, you can't make noises when I'm. What?
It was a good sound effect. It's like a hype man
You're not
sound
even on
effect.
the camera right now.
But that
Don't
was the
talk if you're not on camera.
was the
You see
perfect-
who's on camera? You're not on camera, sir. No talking. You're in timeout.
It was such a good hype,
Greg's
though.
in timeout. We're putting Greg in timeout. All right. No talking for the next 1 minute. All right. We're back here with Alex today. Me and Alex both got hats on. We both got hats on today. How you feeling, Alex?
I'm feeling good, man. How you doing?
You spent that $5,000 yet?
No, it's in the bank.
You put it in the bank.
That's actually no. It's
Why
sitting in my. It's sitting in my safe. It's sitting in my safe.
Yeah, don't put it in the bank.
Nah.
I don't want to tell you how to wink how to
Yeah.
hide that money, but don't put it in the bank. Whatever you do,
It's sitting in the
keep
safe.
that money safe. Keep it in cash. Keep it in cash.
Yeah.
All right. It is another day, another dollar. We are back here looking at the ES right now. Actually, little ES setup here. NASDAQ. ES from the 480s up there to the 486s. Once Gregory remembers his place in this room, we'll put him on the screen here. But we are back another day. Poor Greg, man. The internet is loving his teeth. We just watched the video from the Funded Futures, but
So
day, what is
funny.
it? Day 8?
Yeah.
Holy
day
shit!
8.
I've known you guys for 8 days.
It's crazy.
That's too long.
It's a beautiful thing.
I'm a lucky man. I'm a lucky man to be able to do
Look
what
at
I do
that.
every morning, wake up here and make money and have some fun with the boys. So we are getting fired up. Another day, another dollar. I'm trying to make some money today. I don't know about you guys. I'm trying to do that. Trying to make trading great again. You know,
Little bit of
trying to make it great again. So
Yeah, we're trying to make some money today, man.
Right?
yeah,
For sure.
we made some money yesterday.
little
We
All
did.
time?
Yesterday was a great day.
Yeah, great day.
Great
Super
day
comfortable.
yesterday.
All
I
the
like
boys
it.
were green.
Everyone making some money. We're moving towards. That's like the thing is, right? People are like giving me all this shit about the whole what these guys aren't even making money in the mentorship. But it's like,
We're learning.
yeah, it's part of the process, right? You
Yeah.
got to go through those like shitty days, and that way
Yeah.
at the end of it, you're like, oh, okay, that's
Yeah.
what he's talking about. That's what Patrick's talking about when he
Yeah.
says, hey, let's not trade every little fucking move in the market. If it ain't moving, it ain't moving. So We are ready. We are going. It's time. Back here at the BDH. One more. Well, we got 2 more days here. And then I'm never going to see you guys ever again.
Ever again.
Don't call me. Don't text me. Don't be like, hey, Patrick, I lost all my money.
Block you from
not
everything.
my responsibility, okay? I'm not responsible for your finances. I heard, I saw also in that video that your wife's going to leave you if you don't come home with a big fat pile of cash.
$1 billion.
$1 billion.
Yeah,
Wow. That seems a little expensive.
I know.
I don't even have $1 billion.
She's an expensive girl.
If you had $1 billion, what would you do with it? Would you like, do you have like, if you had one day to spend $1 billion, you think you could do it? I could do it.
Yeah, dude, I could definitely do it.
$1 billion in an
Dude,
hour.
because I would want a yacht so
What would
bad.
you, all right, so like if you needed to buy like a couple like really large ticket items, what would be the first like ticket item? You think about that next, Al. I'm coming to you next with that.
Yeah.
But Gregory, you're up first.
So-
3 big ticket items. You just gotta like max out as much money as possible. What do you
Yeah,
buy?
yeah. So yacht would be number one. Giant yacht,
Giant yacht. Hell yeah.
300 to 400
yeah.
million
Fuck.
at least,
Oh,
right?
easy.
Right?
Easy.
But then you also have to, you still have to set aside like
Yeah,
another
you need
100
fucking-
million or something to operate and live on
Oh,
that
yeah,
thing and have fun
You're
and stuff like
spending
that.
$10 million a year
Yeah,
easily.
yeah. So we need the yacht. We probably need the giant house. I mean, if it's only 3, it'd be yacht, giant house, and then plane, right? You just have to
Plane?
do the 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so basic. All right, what about you,
Yeah.
Mr. Funny
I
Guy?
kind of want to know what you're going to
No,
do.
I want to hear what you want to say because
I
I
mean,
mean, blow obviously,
obviously,
fucking mind.
I want more than one house, though. I want a house in like a couple different states.
Yeah.
Hometown, Maryland, down here, Florida, probably
You're gonna buy
California.
3 houses.
I'll buy
You
a
can only
couple
do 3 things though.
Only
Yeah,
3
You can only
things?
do 3.
Three large
That's what I'm
ticket
saying.
items.
That's
You
why
gotta, like,
yacht,
just, like,
house,
what are you gonna
plane.
buy?
How about a
If
tank?
you only do 3.
How about a tank?
That's such an
What the fuck
inexpensive
are you
thing
buying?
though.
Compound?
You
with
got
a
$1 million,
tank?
you're gonna get
He's-
a $1
cut
million
him off.
tank.
Cut him off. Cut this guy off. He's at a tank. Oh man.
So what are you
Yeah,
getting
big
then?
compound.
Yeah.
Lot of land.
Yeah.
Probably
Yeah.
on a lake somewhere with a giant yacht right sitting out there. And then maybe
In the
like
lake.
a little, maybe they look like a little like 20-foot boat so I can just go,
Yeah.
go out and do some fishing.
I would
Skiffs.
buy a warehouse full of very, very expensive cars.
Ah,
See,
invested
you can only,
in.
okay, so you
No,
bought
it's
a warehouse.
It's a warehouse.
Now you
sir,
get 2
full of
cars.
Now we
2 cars
invested
in
in
a
it.
No,
warehouse.
it's a warehouse full of cars.
Empty
Okay.
cars.
Again.
You know, if somebody's got a warehouse out there worth about 100 million, I'm coming to buy it.
Yeah, I'll buy Fort Knox, and I'll
Someone's
have all the
selling that.
gold inside Fort Knox.
Well, there you see. You
There
could have
you
said
go.
that, but you're not smart enough. You're not smart. I'm smarter. Right? Then I would buy, what else would I buy?
3 more
I
wishes.
would probably buy like a really big company for,
Yeah.
you know, that'd be a smart one
Something
too.
that's safe.
Just
Yeah.
a big
Something that's
business.
Yeah, good blue chip.
These fucking morons bought a yacht, a plane, and a flight. You're going broke. 2 years, you're broke after that.
Yeah. I could do
You
like
just spent all your money, bro.
I'll do a crazy below deck thing. I'll just do
what?
it.
You're
Yeah.
going below deck?
Yeah,
No,
man.
you do not
I'll
have
just-
a face for below deck. You just got off below deck. All right. Let's get into it. Focus, people. What do we got? Well, guess what? NASDAQ still going higher. Who would have thought? Not me. Yesterday, I guess that all-day short yesterday just didn't really play out.
all day.
You know, if every day someone just says all-day short, at some point it's going to be an all-day short, and they're
Yeah.
going to be like, "See, I've been telling you, Patrick.
There's a broken clock,
I've
right?
been telling you. I've been telling you it's an all-day short for the last 6 months.
I've got the receipts.
Yeah,
I
for 6 months I've
screenshot
been
it.
telling you to fucking look for the all-day short."
I'm gonna share this on Facebook later that I beat Patrick.
I mean, right? It's hard. It's hard too, because like if you're saying, "Oh, I'm looking for all-day shorts," it's like, you know, what's the trend right now? The trend is up, right? So you're just fighting the higher time frame trends by trying to go short constantly. So
Looking for a reversion.
I'm trying to make money. Trying to make some money.
You don't care which way it goes. You're just trying to make some money.
Right? Up or down. We don't care. We just want to know.
I feel like this market's going to be pretty interesting today.
Man, especially if you go to the daily, look at the parabolic between yesterday and today. Just psh, psh, you know, just keeps blasting.
It's funny because like remember yesterday we were talking about that, right? The bull flag on the daily chart. Did
Yeah. Yeah.
we talked about literally like yesterday morning, you know, kind of like
Big
everyone's
old,
like, "Oh, you were
big
saying
old
bear flag."
Yeah.
Greg was talking about the bear flag. You were talking
We were
about
all
the bear
agreeing
flag.
that it was a bull flag, right?
No, but I'm just saying you were talking about the bear flag. So I
Yeah,
do
it
want to
was.
point out that we did talk about this being a bull flag.
Uh-huh.
And see, the problem is like right now we're at all-time highs. So there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be under the fucking just under
All
the
day
gaze
shorts.
of
All
the,
day
you know, the
shorts.
idea that it's got to be a short.
Yeah.
It's got to be a short,
Which will push it up.
which would just push it higher. So there's no news today, right? I don't think there's any
No
news.
news.
There's some news later on. Target fund rates. later on there, but I don't know. It's a tricky. I mean, it's all-time high. I mean, I'm not against the idea of trying to put on like a big fucking SQQ short, you know, like
Ooh.
short on the NASDAQ. But the problem is, you know, what's going to happen as
It's
soon
just
as I
gonna-
go by.
Oh, it's going to go
SQQ,
up
it's gonna just
5%.
keep going
Yeah,
higher.
exactly. I know.
So it's just like it's almost impossible to time this top here. You can see the last time that we hit a top back there, end of July, went to the 816s and then came all the way back down. We dropped 1,000 points after hitting that high last time.
Well, we're in blue skies right now. Blue skies are always exciting.
I mean, we were in blue skies before, but you can see the reaction after hitting those all-time highs. So, but look at the, you know, the candles before that last time that we dropped. You see those candles? Like, look how different they look.
They're pretty weak.
Right? Like just like weird, like doji fucking wiki looking candles.
Yeah.
But now it's like these last few days just been that.
Boom,
I mean,
boom,
yesterday
boom.
just boner
Big,
candle.
Big.
So if you look at the chart, kind of seeing the last time we had like that type of setup in terms of just like some big boner candles. I mean, like here, we basically just like higher for the next 4 days. This was a Tuesday pump, the Wednesday a little smaller, Thursday a little bigger, Friday kind of still just pumping, and then Monday pumped one more time before I pull it back. So it's going to be a tricky one either way.
Mm-hmm.
I think we got to just kind of stay very
Nimble.
level-headed, trade what we see, not what we think. Ideally, VWAP to the downside. We got yesterday's close down there, 23,930s. We are pretty much at the overnight high right now. Like, I would like to think that there's a chance of a good pullback here for a long entry at some point, but problem is, like, if you just try to get short right here, what's going to happen? It's going to rip down 100 points.
Yeah.
If you get long right here, it's going to drop 100 points. Story of my life.
There's no telling.
It's a bad spot to be in. We do have that gap to the downside. We know those gaps love to get filled. We have a pivot point to the upside there, 24,060s. You know, we're only, what, 30 points away from that pivot point there. Fuck. The tricky one. Tricky one either way, I would say.
Bouncing off the London high, maybe.
Say it again.
We keep dancing off that London high. You know, we just bounced off of it.
We'll see.
Don't trade until Trump speaks. Is Trump speaking today?
People are saying 11:15.
I don't know. Like, I can't.
That's
sit
a
here- I
long
can't sit here
time
till
to just
11:15
wait.
waiting for Trump to talk.
What do you guys want us to talk about for
I
the
can't
next
do
2
that.
hours?
That's a little too much, chat. I can't do that. I cannot do that today. I can't do that.
Probably get into some weird discussions.
Patience is key. I like being patient, but at the same time, I like making money quick and easy. You know, like yesterday, we made that quick money and we could have
80
walked
points,
away before 10
80
o'clock.
points
That was,
down by
I mean,
10.
that's ideal. You know, that's like the ideal day for me. Ideal day is to fucking be done before 10 o'clock,
Yeah.
be sitting by the pool smoking a joint by 10:15.
It's a perfect,
You know, ordering some Chipotle to the house.
perfect little Wednesday.
To the
Ooh,
house.
to the house.
Chipotle to the house.
If you were done by like 9:45, would you actually end stream and walk away?
No, probably not. Because if I in stream and walk away, well then
Not making
you know.
streaming money.
I'm just missing out on the other $30,000 that I could make by just streaming for another hour. That's the problem. Even if I don't trade, I'm still gonna make, you know,
We're making it one way or to
make
other.
30, 40 grand. My accountant said yesterday that I need to stop spending money. I said, well, what do you mean?
What's it
He
there
said-
for?
Well, he's like, you're already, last year I made 6 million. I'm already, this year I'm at 8 million and it's only August.
Yeah.
So
Damn.
So why not spend it?
I don't really know. I think he's just kind of like, he's amazed because we were going through my books yesterday and we were like trying to figure out some of the payments. There was like a $600,000 wire
Yeah.
and we're like, where'd this wire come from? I'm like, fuck, I have no idea. because the wire transfer doesn't say who it came from. So I'm looking at it. I'm like, I think that might be. I don't know who that is.
Piece of shit out of
and my
me.
accountant's like, how do you not know what the $600,000 wire is? I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't keep track of this shit. But I figured it out. I know who it is. I know.
Prop
But
firm?
yeah, I mean, it's a. I think
Laundering monies through cars, you know?
it's not law. No, that's a payment from
A prop firm.
a prop firm. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a prop firm payment.
That's nice.
But the wire transfers don't say what prop firm it is, so I had to like
Right.
think about what prop firm paid me $600,000. Get a new accountant. What the fuck? I think most accountants are always going to err on the side of caution, right?
They
Like,
always
isn't that
do.
their kind of like
Yeah.
job to kind of make their like be,
Yeah.
hey Patrick, maybe you should, not spend every dollar that you make.
Make sure you still have enough money to pay me. You
Well,
know?
make sure you have money to pay the taxes. That's
That's
the
what I'm
problem.
saying.
So like,
Yeah.
last year I paid 1.6 million. If I make fucking 15 million this year, what am I going to pay? 3 or 4 million in taxes? Oh, fuck me.
That's insane.
Luckily, the new tax bill or the new bill with Trump, the 100% depreciation is back.
Oh, really?
So my boat would be 100% depreciation that I'm building this year.
Yeah.
This is a charter boat. Charter boat.
It's a business write-off. It's just a write-off. You just write it off. You never even have to pay it back. You just write it off and that's it.
Right. That's how that works.
Yeah.
If you use it in some videos, probably
Yeah.
use that as a write-off.
That helps a lot. I saw a video from the Stradman, the YouTuber that collects all the cars.
We'll all talk about that.
You saw he owned like $500,000 in back taxes or something like that because he was buying his cars instead of leasing the cars and then still trying to write it off, but wasn't writing off the correct way or something.
I mean, it's like it's a very gray area. That's the problem. It's like
Yeah.
the wordage, the IRS's like wordage is very it's like it's what it really
Interpretation.
Comes down,
It comes to
down to
interpretation.
is it all comes down to how much proof you have.
Yeah.
Because the IRS is going to say, they're going to be like, hey, look, you claim that you bought this for business, for marketing. Prove it. You know what I mean? Like, you got to prove it. If you're
Yeah.
claiming something, you have to prove it.
Show
So, like,
the sticker on the
people are always like,
windshield.
why do you have cars in the background of all of your live streams? I'm like,
It's a write-off.
I wonder why. I don't know why, but maybe possibly. Maybe possibly I have an idea here. Maybe I know what I'm doing just a little bit. Yeah, the boat will be through a biz as well. Yeah, I'm gonna set up like a different business just for the boat.
LLC. Yeah, you got to do LLCs
Yeah.
for everything.
That's the problem, man. Like the richer you get, it just becomes a game of trying to
You
figure out
gotta
how to
get
pay less taxes.
Oh yeah, stack
Because,
on
like,
stack on stack.
If I save myself $100,000, $200,000 on taxes, like paying that in taxes, that's
Yeah.
literally like a salary.
Yeah.
So like people think about it like, you have an account, you're paying your accountant $100,000 a year so that you pay less in taxes. Like it's just the whole thing's a fucking scam.
You just got to protect it all too. Like we're looking into an Airbnb compound right now. We're setting up 3 LLCs for
Yeah.
it. One LLC will own the land. One LLC will own the airstream that goes on the land.
Yeah.
And another LLC is the management company that's us that'll actually
Yeah.
run it. So then, just protecting. You can't sue this person for this asset or this thing for that asset.
Yeah, no, it's all.
Nice, Greg.
Shit.
Nice.
Well, that's what's funny, obviously like I have that whole lawsuit thing going on or whatever, and people are like, "You're gonna go bankrupt." And I'm like, Patrick Wieland might be bankrupt because I don't on paper I have no money.
Yeah.
I have no assets. I have nothing. Like
Right.
I don't own anything.
It's all in the businesses and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean,
it's
so
all
you can-
protected.
I might be bankrupt.
Well,
but-
people don't realize too, when you get sued and like even lose the judgment against that, there's still almost no way to make that person pay half the time. It's really hard to actually get the payment
very
once
hard,
you get
yes.
the judgment. And then there's a shitload more money to actually get the payment after the judgment.
I didn't know you were in a lawsuit.
Yeah, I mean, there's a company suing me saying that I broke a contract. Who knows? Won't get into it. I got lawyers for that.
We got peoples.
I got lawyers who get paid $2,000 an hour who are
There you
going to
go.
handle that for me.
My sister's a very good business lawyer if you ever need one.
You're what?
My sister's a very good business lawyer in Florida.
Very good business lawyer?
Uh-huh. If you ever need one, let me know.
Okay. I like
Let
it.
me know.
She as good looking as you?
You'll have to be the judge of it, man.
Yeah. Does she look like you? Because if she does, I'm in. Sign me up.
That's the one.
If Greg had blonde hair, I don't know if I could handle myself.
Smiles just like me,
Blonde hair and some double D's, I would be all over Greg.
Just smiling at
Like
you all
white
day.
on rice.
Patrick.
Does she have the same smile?
I mean, again, you'll have to look at her and judge.
All right, here we go. It is now 9:20. We got 10 minutes till market opens. How you guys feeling? It's day number 8 of the mentorship. Do you feel like you're learning something? Or is this all a big waste of fucking time?
Confidence.
Greg, I mean, you're giving up,
through the
your
roof.
time with your goats and your family to
The
be here.
ducks and everything. Yeah, man. I mean, I love it. I feel like I have learned a lot. It is definitely like a school of hard knocks type situation.
I mean,
like,
to be honest, like I didn't know you were as green as you were.
oh yeah,
Like
yeah.
you were real green.
For futures, yeah,
Yeah.
real green. Yeah, I've been trading stocks for a long time, and I used to make like $10,000 a month just swing trading stocks too,
Yeah.
so it was decent enough. But yeah, futures, brand new to futures, basically. So yeah, this has been a hell of an experience diving in here.
Yeah,
And,
seriously.
I mean,
I was
again,
like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Why would you let him be on here? I've been doing this shit for years.
for so long,
I've been
man.
losing for years. You let this fucking asshole who's never even blown an account? What the fuck?
I got the mileage on this. I earned
Alex
it.
is like, I fucking did. I
I
fucking
earned
blown
it.
1,000 accounts. This guy hasn't even blown one. What
Yeah.
the fuck?
Yeah, man. So yeah, actually, I mean, this is the perfect place to learn, right?
Fuck
I mean,
yeah,
literally
you-
the
you
perfect
somehow
place to
really,
learn.
I don't know why. You got lucky as fuck.
I'm a really
Yeah, you
good
did.
salesperson, right?
Lucky as fuck.
I'm a really good
Greg
salesperson.
got so fucking lucky to somehow get on this mentorship.
Have you ever seen the movie
I don't
like?
know. I think what it was is I read your email and you just sounded like you weren't a fucking weirdo.
Yeah, it
So
was a
I
good
was
email.
like, I told Jinder, I'm like, this guy seems pretty cool.
This is the one. You
Yeah.
can let him in. Have you ever seen like Surf's Up back in the day, the cartoon?
Yeah.
You know Chicken Joe, the guy that
Yeah.
ends up winning at the end. He's like just a cool guy. He's just smiling all the time.
Is that
He-
you?
He just seems to keep winning, even though it
Yeah.
doesn't really seem like he puts an effort. Yeah, I feel like that. I feel like Chicken Joe is my spirit animal. You
Nice.
know?
Well, let's see if we can find a video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, we found him. We found him, boys.
This dude's definitely my.
This is him.
This dude is definitely my spirit animal.
Cross penguins. I'm Chicken Joe. Joseph. It's long Joe. Sweet man. And
Sweet man.
you know, they treat me as their king and put me in a hot tub. I guess their royal hot tub.
This is Greg.
That's 100%. That's 100%
I'm the
me.
penguins. Greg's the chicken.
Dude, just smiling through. He's about to get eaten. He's smiling through it though.
Hot and steamy.
You know, just
Really
keeping it
open
light, keeping it
doors,
positive.
You know?
Yeah.
It was kind of cool. They kind of served me food while I was in there. It was like dinner and a show.
Are they cooking him?
Dude, when he gets out of it, he becomes a
As
king
enjoyable as
instead.
it was,
They
I
love
still
him.
had a vision of my quest. Thank you. Yes, sir. I gotta get going.
Yeah. That is 100% Greg. Chicken Joe. Chicken Joe is Greg. People in the chat are always like, man, this guy, no matter what, lose or win, he's still smiling.
Chicken Joe,
No one
man.
knows.
Chicken Joe.
If Greg was streaming, no one would have any idea if he was making money or losing money because he would just be the same the whole time. I just lost 100,000. Awesome. Yeah. So.
Great day hanging out with you boys.
Yeah, I wish I could
You
do
know?
that. When I lose,
So
you
funny.
can definitely tell when I'm losing.
Same.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So he's my spirit animal right there.
I mean, I think that's your brother
But yeah, so again,
or
so
another mother.
yeah, I've learned a heck of a lot, and I am taking it seriously. Like your course is what, like 15 hours long. The very first week, I blasted through that. So like, I get home from streaming, I'm rewatching the 4 hours of stream on 2x, so it's only taking me 2 hours. Reading through you guys' silly ass comments, of course. So reaffirming stuff there, reaffirming stuff in the course, then getting here and just getting it kind of beat into you and stuff too, you know. So
And you're
I mean,
taking
yeah.
notes too.
and
Yeah,
I'm
he's
taking,
taking notes. I will
dude,
give him credit. I'm impressed. He has a
copious
notebook.
fucking notes here. Like, look at, I'm on
You're not in the frame, bro.
7, 8 pages of copious notes here, guys.
Copious notes. It's just
Copious
notes saying
notes.
Patrick is so beautiful.
It really is.
Patrick is
I mean,
so
there's-
funny.
He's doodling over there.
There's some
Yeah.
funny. There's some
Just drawing
funny ones
stick
here
figures.
too.
How about you, Alex? Where are you at?
Man, you know what, the main thing for me was like actually finding a like a trading style that works for me. And so far this is working. You know, I would get in, I would over leverage, and my mental wasn't really where it needed to be.
Yeah.
So here, doing it in front of people, doing it in front of you, hearing your setups. Today I'm going to try and be a little bit better when I'm about to get in a trade or looking at a trade. I'm going to try and talk through it more. so I can just hear myself and see if it, that trade sounds good or if it sounds dumb. But it's been good so far, man. It's been awesome. Appreciate you having us out.
Hell yeah. Let's go, boys. All right. NASDAQ
day.
still just making new fucking highs. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. What's Apple doing right now? Apple up to the 230s. All right. All right. Well.
Time to do some stuff.
I mean, I feel like there's always two scenario.
All day shorts, all day
two
longs.
scenarios, right? I mean, there's like the scenario that we just fucking go straight up and open because it's just a massive squeeze and everyone just gets fucked and there's just no entry and it's just like you got to just jump in and fucking hope and pray kind of thing.
Hold on.
Or the other scenarios that we come fucking crashing right back down to the VWAP at open. So I don't really like. What are you gonna say? There's nowhere to look at the chart and be like, oh look, look to the left, look to the left. Oh, because there is nothing to the fucking left. We're at the all-time highs. So 24,047. There's a pivot point there on the hourly chart. We got yesterday's close down there, 23,938. It's time to make some money. You know how we do. Round of applause for everybody in the chat that showed up today. We got some courses to give away. We're giving away 20 courses today. That's just free money that I'm just out there giving away. I could sell 20 courses, but instead I'm giving away to the poor people in the chat.
A man of the people.
They can't afford it. I'm just kidding. I love y'all. I just got to make fun of y'all for not buying it already. For $2.99. I mean, I should have sold like 10 million of those courses, but I didn't. I've only sold 2 million. It sucks. One day. It is crazy because you know what I've actually heard this from people that they like yeah, it's only $199. Like how good could it actually be?
Oh,
you know what I mean?
that's
like,
yeah.
Like the price, like
it needs to be at least $5,000 for it to have value.
So it must not be good, right? Like you can't learn anything for paying $199. I'm like, well, if you want, you can pay $9.99. Like if you feel like paying $199 is not a good investment because it's just not
give me
like,
more,
not worth it for you,
do
then
the
you should pay
buy.
$9.99. That's totally fine. Like I'm not against that, New York City residents rally against a casino in Times Square. What the fuck? Let's get a casino in Times Square. I'm ready to go, baby. Always somebody rallying about something.
New Yorkers are a different breed.
There's always something going on in the world. Rallying, somebody butthurt about casino. Why would a casino be bad in Times Square? Make some money, baby. Isn't that more money for tax money for the city? Isn't that that's how I would look at it, right?
Yeah. That stuff always gets weird though too. Like even the Niagara Falls Casino, when I was leaving New York, owed like $600 million in back taxes to New York. Yeah. But none of it went to like the Niagara Falls area. It all went down to New York City instead. People were pissed about that too. Yeah,
I mean they got Wall Street. Wall Street, fucking biggest casino in the world.
Yeah.
In New York City.
You got it.
I mean, what's the difference? That's what I always laugh about, right? That they talk about like the pattern day trader rule with PDT, so you can't overtrade. The regulators want to make sure that Greg he's not able to
don't get on my level,
account, right?
Yeah.
Greg can't blow up his account because he don't have more than $25,000. But guess what? Like Greg gets 26,000. He's allowed to blow up his account, magically now.
That
like,
one in the big
Greg,
boy range.
Don't worry, Greg, you're good now. You got 26,000. You're good to go, bro.
Yeah.
Good to go, bro. All right, pivot point to the upside. We got the course giveaway later on today. We'll do that giveaway at 10 o'clock, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's break some records today, chat. Let's break some records. If you're gonna tune away, if you're gonna do something else, just leave your screen open. Tell your mom, tell your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your sister, your fucking cousin, your cousin's cousin, your mom's cousin, everybody. Let's get them all watching this shit. Let's blow this up. I'm trying to figure out how do I get to 10,000 viewers live?
Yeah. At one time.
Like we're already blowing everybody else out of the water. That's the problem. Like every other futures live stream is just dwindling away, dying into the abyss, and we're still going higher. They're all pulling back, but we're still breaking out,
just
making new highs
through.
constantly. So I'm just trying to figure out how do we get to that next level, bigger, maybe some hotter women.
I think the mentorship helped, man. You're getting good views for that. 35,000 on Monday.
Strippers.
Not bad. You definitely get some views then.
Strippers in the background while we're trading.
Every time you make a good trade, they just start making it rain on the table.
Editor, take your clothes off.
There
It's
you go.
time.
There you go.
Market's open, boys. All right, let's see. I mean, I think, like I said, I need some type of pullback here, right? It's too much. It's just too much. I'm not even a bear, but is it too much? You know, is it too much?
Maybe break the EMAs and bounce off the London high. Curl back up.
Fucking A. It's like right there at the 40s. Just gonna be patient. Let the 15-minute range play out here today. No rush, people. Right now, just a lot of indecision. Apple making new highs right now. Apple making new highs. The ES pulling back. I want to see the ES and the NASDAQ kind of form similar setups in terms of like a bull flag, bear flag, whatever it is. Like I want to see, ooh, look at that. Rip right back up on the NASDAQ to the 40s again. ES kind of the same thing. I would say at this point, if we get fucking back above 50s, I might just have to take a long there. Just YOLO. Is this thing just gonna rip or what? Like what the fuck? What a shitty spot to be in. Just like there's not really just yeah.
Well, the 40-60 pivot point too. You think if we break 50s, we'll just blast through the pivot point at 60s?
I think we're good for at least like 20-30 points.
Yeah.
Over the 50s there.
Yeah,
in theory.
It would suck to not have like a good pullback and this thing just keeps going
Just
higher all
rip,
day.
yeah.
I mean, this could be the pullback, kind of like right now, just holding up here. I'm gonna try it. Fuck it.
He's gonna do one.
I'm long. Looking for like 60s or more. They don't want to go down, so fuck it. Fuck it. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's blast it higher. Blast her up there. Up there to the 60s now. I'm going to take profit right there. 61.
Right
nice
there.
and easy, baby. From the 48s to the 61s now.
Nice little flip.
Little blaster. Little morning blast. Little
Nice.
finger blast. You know, everyone loves a good finger blast.
Yeah. We up on the
You
day
know what
now.
I mean? You know, a
Up
good
on
little
the day.
finger blaster. Just all that. It was just so looking real tight there.
Pent up blasting energy.
All right, now we pushed up there to that pivot point. So let's see what happens there next now. Finger blast of the NASDAQ, baby. 1 minute orb.
Got
You like
11.
that? You like that?
11
Yes.
points
We just
out of
finger
her.
blasted that fucking 1 minute orb. Good old shocker. Good old shocker right into the NASDAQ. Is it 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink, or it's 2 in the stink, 1 in the pink?
Depends on
first
who
one.
you're with.
2 stink, 1 pink. I like to do the 2 in the pink. I mean, 2 in the stink. 2 in the stink, 1 in the pink. 2 in Roush is going to bed.
Good night.
I like it. God, I really sometimes laugh about the idea of like, for a first-time viewer, someone who's never watched a stream before, like to tune into this, and like they're like, does this guy just say that he finger blasted the NASDAQ?
Dude, listen, man.
Did he just put 2 in the stink and 1 in the pink on the NASDAQ? What the fuck?
My-
What is this? What kind of show is this?
My first day watching you, I was like, all right, yeah, this guy, like, you see the lifestyle and stuff like that. I was like, this guy must be successful. The second day I'm watching him, I'm like, wow, he's making really good trades too. But I started like turning down the volume a little bit because the kids were going back and forth.
Yeah.
Third day, headphones on. I was like, shit, man. Sorry, guys.
Well, that's the funniest. People are like, I have kids in the room. I'm like, well, get your fucking kids out of the room, bro. Do you watch porn with your kids around? No. This is basically porn. This is a fucking
It's money
adult
porn. Money porn.
Money porn. Right? It would be inappropriate to have kids around.
Yeah, man.
Somebody was like, you let your my Landon, my 12-year-old, the way you talk and curse and stuff around him. I'm like, bro, I listened to him playing Fortnite
Yeah.
It's like
crazy.
Oh, I can imagine.
like
yeah.
literally Fortnite,
Yeah.
it's like those kids are just dropping the N-word
Oh, yeah.
constantly.
Oh, yeah.
There's like it's every possible bad word you could say. They're just screaming it
Yeah.
in those chat rooms.
Oh yeah.
because
They
like,
have no idea what's
they're
behind that
12-year-olds.
either.
They don't care. They're just like, I heard that this word's bad, and they just start fucking spamming whatever word it is, you know.
Yeah, man. That's funny.
And I also like I've told Landon a million times. I'm like, hey, at the end of the day, like a word it's just a word, right? Like it really only has power of what you give it, you know. Like if you
Right.
want to like,
It's
be
the
like, oh my
context,
God,
man. It's the
fuck, you know,
context.
f you, fuck you is like such a bad word. It's like, well, I mean, it's like a word, you know. So like it really just comes down to like how you want to kind of say it. And
How
there's a time and
utilizing
place
it,
too,
yeah.
like you know. I still say like yes ma'am, no ma'am, yes sir, no sir. You know, I'm talking to people like get mad at me sometimes. I've had actual like women be like, don't call me ma'am.
I'm not a
You
man.
know?
Really?
I'm not a man.
I'm not a man.
It's not my pronoun. I'm like, well, you look like a ma'am, because you don't look like a sir.
There was a video like that where this guy was talking to this like fishing store employee. He's like, "Hey, ma'am," and it was like a really just odd guy.
Yeah.
He's like, "I'm not a ma'am.
I have done
I'm
that.
sorry,
honestly.
ma'am.
I
I'm not a ma'am."
I have done that before. Not the ma'am one. I've done the sir. Like at a gas station or whatever, like the person working there, I'm like, oh, thank you, sir. And they look at you like, I was like, oh, fuck, you're not a sir, are you?
Sorry.
Oh, damn.
All right, NASDAQ is chopping around here. We got one trade so far.
You're in the right spot.
We need more, though. This ain't enough. This ain't enough. We're going to build out a bull flag here. Looking at the ES, looking at the NASDAQ, both kind of just holding up here. I would think that we need some type of, you know, a little bit more pullback, but it's all-time highs, baby. Who knows?
Who knows?
Who
It's
knows,
close.
man? Who knows? We got 5,500 people watching. If you guys have not already blown up the like button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Let's go. This might be another ripper to the upside. Did we go again through the 67s? Like, we just keep tapping into those EMAs there. I don't know. Like, what's the play here, boys?
Trying to see what everything else is doing. Like Apple's
Like to see
curling
maybe
down a
another
little
little
bit.
dip, a
Google's
wiki
curling
dip,
down.
and then just shoot right back up.
What would be nice is to take out that like 30 area, kind of like.
Dang, AMD is hoofing it again though.
What's huffing mean?
I meant hoofing, like, you know, galloping, hoofing.
Galloping?
Yeah,
What does that
they're
mean?
going up. What do you mean? They're racing up,
Oh,
hoofing.
I've never heard that before.
Never heard
Hoofing.
hoofing?
Man, that shit's hoofing.
Just hoofing.
Y'all seen Bitcoin lately? It's been hoofing.
That bitch's been hoofing.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, Greg over here with like fucking
Listen, new wave, new wave, baby.
new words for the.
That's
for
gonna be the
chat.
next BD8 shirt. Is gonna say hoofing. Motherfuckers be hoofing.
The Dow's making new highs, ripping up right now. The Dow's, if we get above the 60s, I'm gonna try with another long here. I'm gonna try it. Fuck it. Looking for a straight up through the 70s here. Stop at that low of that previous candle. And we might just let this ride, honestly, depending on how much it goes.
Let her
The
ride.
ES already made a new high. NASDAQ has not made a new high yet.
Greg, what are you liking? I like that. I like this candle right here after a couple wicks just hit. You know,
Yeah.
today's open.
Yeah, I like that it just popped above those
All right,
candles.
there's that new high push.
Like that it's making a
I'm
new
looking to
high.
trail this if I can, but I need to get above 70s here strong. Stuck there for now, right below the 70s. Wait for that 70 break here.
Push, push, push.
Trouble there. ES pushed up, got into the pivot point, stuck there for now. Uh-oh. Right back
Uh-oh.
down. We might get stopped here. Just chopping around there at the 50s again. If we get back above 60s here, I'll look to add if this like sets up again to get above the 60s. But if not, we'll just get all out there. I'm going to put my stop right below 438 there.
Be a little bit of room, huh?
You have a little bit of room just because
Yeah,
in
I
case
got
you
it.
wick that candle, but it looks like it wants to come down a little bit deeper.
I got stopped out already.
Just giving a little bit of room there out at the 50s. This is a very hard spot to be trading.
Yeah.
You know, like market is at all-time highs. Apple just kind of reversed. I don't know why. Apple just got tanked from 232 back to the 230s. The Dow is still ripping higher. Dow's still ripping higher. ES is still holding on. If the NASDAQ can hold this 50 area and get back up above 65s, I'm looking to add there for a push up towards the 80s or 90s. Still holding up there. That's nice. I like it. Just need to get more push though. I want to see like momentum through here. Need that momentum through there. Everyone in the chat said it's going to go down. Ha ha ha. Okay. Then put a short on. Shut up.
Put it on in.
Imagine like sitting in the chat going, ha ha ha, it's going to go down. Well, okay, then put a short on. Shut the fuck up. A little bit of trouble here. Might be, if we lose this 50 area, I think we come down and take out that 30. So I'm going to move my stop here, move it up here to reduce my risk. We got 45 stop here now because I think if we can't hold those 50s, we're going to come down a little harder than I wanted to come down. So
Dancing. It's thinking about it.
still holding up there.
Thinking about it.
I hope this just rips the fucking moon right now because I see everybody in the chat trying to doubt me. I just like, it would just be so fucking hilarious to see this rip to new highs right now. I would die laughing. I would roll on the floor fucking laughing, chat.
It's crazy how much that pivot's actually holding.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, but it's also like, dude, we're at all-time highs. Are we really going to sit here and be like, oh, we're at all-time highs. We can't go above that pivot. You know what I mean?
No,
like, oh, the NASDAQ can't go any higher because there's a pivot point there. Like, let's be honest, you know, like, does that pivot real? Like, well, you know, are we really going to be worried about that fucking pivot? I'm going to bring this stop down here again to that, right below that, well, this candle here, 42s, just to give this little wick there at the 45 some room. I got some space here.
Got some room.
A little room to breathe. No. I guess.
Back down there to the 40s and stopped out there for now. Only down 160 on the day there. Not a big deal. People get so excited, you
Not
know,
bad at
and
all.
like, relax, chat.
Just gotta wait for the next one.
All right, the ES is stuck there for now. NASDAQ's stuck here for now. We can maybe rip down there, take out that 30 level.
All right.
Chart's looking all kinds of funky right now.
Yeah, gotta see what happens at 30.
The ES is still holding up there.
ES is still holding up at the highs right now. I don't think the NASDAQ's done. I don't think it's done just yet. YM still going to the moon right now. If we get back above the 55s or so, I might look to get long again here on the NASDAQ. What are you guys looking at?
Yeah, I would agree to that. But I guess I'd still be. I would agree to that.
I agree.
I'm in the right spot.
Okay.
Yeah,
I like that.
Okay.
I like it. Right. Yeah, I agree. Okay. There we go.
But I'd still be
Easy
kind of
enough.
nervous because we're at the top of the candles there. I guess I'd almost want to see it break like. I want to see it break like 61 almost for a confirmation.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, ES is trying to make new highs. NASDAQ's holding up here.
Or I want to see it break, 29. And then maybe we're pushing to the
What you got going on, Alex?
I got in with a couple micros back at 49.
Still long?
I'm still long. I'm still holding on to it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got out. I got stopped out twice. I tried,
And that's what I like
twice.
about micros. I can hold a little longer. You know, I'm only down $60 right now.
ES making new highs right now. NASDAQ reversing here. NASDAQ maybe dip down there, take out that 30 area, and then come back up. Jason goes, usually if something is up this far, there'll be profit taking. Okay. All right, we got the 15-minute range now is set. The low 28s,
Oh, what a dip.
the high 68s. Got the VWAP starting to percolate up here. VWAP now at that 24,000 area. Fabio made 10 points profit on the trade that I took earlier. Damn you, Fabio. Damn you. Just kidding. Congrats.
So I guess now I'm looking for it to break. If it breaks 46, then maybe that's the good. Well, maybe if it breaks 49. Breaks 49, then longs again.
Yeah,
I
basically
think,
it's about back above 50.
I think it wants to keep going down. I want to see where this candle closes. If it closes below that last, 30 wick on the left side over there,
Yeah.
we'll see.
The ES is still at the high. ES still at the high of the 15-minute range, trying to break out here. NASDAQ at the low of the 15-minute range. Who's going to lead today? Look at the Dow. The Dow going straight to the moon right now. Absolutely just straight to the fucking moon. Look at this thing. You can't even see it, chat, but look at it. The Dow just absolutely ripping right now. 15-minute chart there, just going higher and higher. The Dow all-time high is not till 45,300.
Wow.
So the Dow still got some room to get up there to the all-time highs. It's squeezing straight up here. The
I like this little push we're getting
ES
right now.
just broke back to the upside. I mean, I think the longs are going to come in here again.
Now, if we break 50, would you just go in there as momentum, or would you still wait
Yeah,
for it
it's
to
gonna
come back
fucking-
as
It's going to hammer it long if we get above that 50s.
yeah?
Just hammer it. Just hammer it, chat. Basically, I want to see some candles close back above those EMAs there.
Yeah. Finger on the trigger.
Finger on the trigger, you ready to go?
Yeah, man. I mean, I agree. As soon as it pops 50s, I'm almost like it to pop 50, then come back to 45 one last time, and then go up. But
Really?
I mean, you can also, trade what
Do
you
your
think.
thing,
Don't
brother.
do what I tell you to do. You
Well,
know what I mean?
I
Like,
s-
just because I'm trading a certain way, don't mean you gotta trade a certain way.
that's the way that I would agree with that. I mean, I do think that it has to break 50s first.
Okay, so it breaks 50s and then what? Looking for a pullback. All right, well then trade that.
Yeah.
There you go. You just fucking called it. That's your trade. That's your play.
Nice.
But I also would be pissed if it breaks 50 and then goes straight to 70 with zero pullback, because it could have a lot of momentum behind.
Yeah, but it coulda, shoulda, woulda. It could also break 50 and then come right back down.
Yeah, true.
See, there's like a million ways to look at it. ES is making new highs.
What is holding the NASDAQ back?
Apple just needs to get moving here. Something. I mean, it's
Prime.
holding on.
Prime for it. Wow, TQ is at 46 now, 96.
All right, ES is still going higher. YM still going higher. The ES just needs to get back through the middle of the 15-minute range here and then look to see if we can't get a new push. People are giving me shit because they're like, you're supposed to be mentoring Greg, not telling him to do what he wants. I'm like, yeah, but what are you gonna do when I'm not here? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not always gonna be here if I can tell you what to do. So like, you got to learn like on your own. You can't just be like, okay, Patrick's long, I'm gonna get long now. Like, you're not learning. You got to like, I like that you said, hey, I like the idea of going through 50 and then I want to get a pullback. Okay, well that's your plan. Then like, if it goes higher from there, then it is what it is.
Yeah, adjust next time.
Yeah, I mean, but you don't adjust. It's just like sometimes a trade is going to happen and you're not going to get your entry.
Yeah.
Right, and that's fine. It doesn't mean that you're a loser. It doesn't mean you're an idiot. It just means that you're like, hey, this setup just didn't really play out how I wanted it to.
Wasn't the correct
and I think people
one.
are so caught up in this idea that you have to like, you know, every little like movement in the market, you got to like fucking kill it.
Right.
It don't matter. Like, I don't get, you know, if you're long, you're short, whatever it is, like at the end of the day, if you fucking make money, you make money. And that's like, and the only way to like hold yourself accountable as well is to like, hold yourself accountable.
Right.
Like if the trade doesn't work out, you can't be like, fuck, I knew I should have gotten in.
I knew
at
I should have done
45.
it. Yeah.
You know, why did I listen to Patrick? Look, now it's going straight up here.
Fucking straight up.
I'm going along there. 58's fucking talking to Greg. Forgot about my entry there. God damn it, Greg. I'm going to add into this on this 45 pullback, like Greg said.
Like Greg said. We're listening to Greg. I'm still long, actually.
Nice.
Oh, we know.
Well, actually, I'm long from 34
Oh my God.
because I added some down there.
Still adding. Let's go. 18 contracts, baby. Daddy's going to get paid. I'm getting paid on this. Just watch, chat. I must get paid. If I don't get paid, Greg, can I come live with you?
You can, man. I got the Airstream. It's almost fully set up.
I don't want to live in the Airstream.
It's really nice.
Okay, I'll live in the Airstream.
Got a swan faucet in there and everything.
Swan faucet. How's that work?
Yeah. It's a faucet that's shaped like a swan.
You have
Oh,
a
an
swan?
actual
It looks like a
swan.
swan?
Yeah, dude.
That's pretty
It
cool.
looks like it's like a Mad Hatter type theme, loosely Mad Hatter. It's like mushrooms and stuff in there.
What?
Yeah.
You got mushrooms growing in your...
No, like the wallpaper and stuff. It's a
You got
little
wallpaper?
Psychedelic. Yeah, it looks good.
Or what's that, like the one, take him to the Greek where he's like, licking the
Yeah.
wallpaper?
Rub the furry wall.
Is that one that's going to be one of your Airbnbs?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a 1987. There were 1987 Airstream. So we like got it renovated.
All right,
all that
NASDAQ,
stuff.
let's see something here. I need a push. Stuck at the 60s for now. The ES is still pushing. The Dow is still pushing. Everything else is pushing right now.
Yeah, what the hell?
It is hard to not think that the NASDAQ will not break this 15-minute range to the upside. Connor McGill, you said I'm going to get stopped out. Okay. Go short then.
Not if you don't have a stop loss.
Yeah, can't get stopped out if you don't have a stop loss.
Exactly.
Can't lose if you don't ever get out. Ugh.
Come on.
The ES is still pushing. NASDAQ's just stuck here for now. Fucking A. So stupid. Get through this 60 area, NASDAQ.
It looks like he's trying
Come
to
on.
build out a nice little bull flag.
15-minute range. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range. We're holding up in the middle of the 15-minute range. Look at the log. Look at the log. I don't know what's happening. I'm blacked out right now. I blacked out, chat. Where am I? What happened to the GTR? Disappeared.
We've been robbed.
I had to sell the GTR because I lost everything. Going short on the NASDAQ. What's the ES doing? ES 66,500 on the ES now. We need that ES to keep pushing. Keep this NASDAQ move alive. Come on, chat. We got 6,000 people watching. Let's get 1,000 likes here on this
Let's
motherfucker.
go.
Come on, chat. Help me, help
Let's
me,
go.
help me. Help me, chat, please. I need help right here. Greg told me to go long, and I went long, and it's not working out. took Greg's trade idea. God, if this doesn't pop up, I'm fucked. Shit, I'm fucked.
Oh,
I'm fucked. Not fucked yet. Oh, we're fucked.
Not yet.
I'm fucked. It's over.
Are you out?
Nope. Still long. These are evals for fucking funding ticks right now. Oh, God.
Damn.
She gone.
oh, that was a bad one.
Just going to add into this. Either going to pop here or
Fucking
drop
candle,
here.
dude.
And it's dropping. Wow, just blew those. Oh, fuck me. That sucks.
Yeah, that was a good drop.
She's coming down. Lieutenant Dan.
Like, what
Fucking
the
A.
fuck?
Look at that. Right back to the VWAP now. So stupid.
Yipes.
I told you. I know, everybody. Now it's time to go long.
Yeah, it just took out a lot of stops, that's for sure.
Oh, well, well, well. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just dumped right there.
Oof.
Jesus Christ.
She's gone. She's going downtown. Fucking A.
That's fucked.
Craig's still smiling. He don't give a fuck. Craig don't give a fuck.
I mean, yeah, we did lose like maybe 600 on that one. Yeah. We'll make it back. Full confidence.
I mean, a 30 fucking, what was that? 60-point drop right there.
Insane.
Just gonna come right back up now. ES bouncing off the VWAP back up to the bottom of the 15-minute range here. Welcome to all-time high trading.
Yeah.
Apple pushed back up. ES bounced off the pivot point back up there to the 98s. That's 6,500 level. The Dow still ripping up. NASDAQ pulling back. ES pulling back. If we lose this VWAP here, going for the gap fill maybe? I don't know. Not looking too good right now. All right, we
Even
broke
Alex
the
is
15-minute
smiling now.
range to the
I'm
downside.
pissed. That's a piss smile.
So look at if we
piss
see if we lose this VWAP level there next. Maybe there's a short down through the 24,000s next. If you look,
Man, that's a huge 5-minute candle.
biggest 5-minute candle of the fucking last 24 hours.
That's huge.
Should try to at least take out the VWAP, maybe down into this 980 area again. Right there, the VWAP holding up. We're at the bottom of the 15-minute range, so the Bears just fucking absolutely got well, bears absolutely crushed it right back down through the bottom of the 15-minute range down there, 24,000, almost flat right there. If we get through 24,000s, see if this starts speeding up through the VWAP there next. Patrick, using the 13 EMA? No, I'm using the 9 EMA. What you talking about?
What you talking about?
All right, VWAP. Through that VWAP down there, 24,000, bounced right off 24,000s again. Go a little lower through the 24,000s.
I mean, definitely looks like a bear flag playing out now.
Oh yeah, obviously.
But we don't want to do
bear
it through
flag
VWAP.
below the 15-minute range there.
So we wouldn't want to enter short now because it's just too close to the VWAP, right?
Well, I mean, there's two theories there. If we just start, we could start speeding up through this level now and like just keep dropping a lot quicker now that we lost that support there.
Yeah.
I mean, we're below the VWAP now. The ES, obviously, still at the fucking top of the range.
Yeah, they're definitely not doing the same thing today.
ES is kind of holding up there. NASDAQ through the 24s on the NASDAQ for now, but it's not really speeding up.
Indecisive.
Right there at the 24,000s.
Oh man.
24,000. Will we lose 24,000 here? Right there at the 24,000s, bouncing 24,000s again.
It feels like it. So would that be that silly to take a short if it kind of pops to like 40.10 and then you just put your stop at maybe like 40.19? So it's lesser risk and hopefully in the right direction.
Let's see what happens. I mean, I think if we get down there below that 24,000, maybe test that 85 level and then try to pop it back up. I don't know. We just gotta. Got yesterday's close down there, 939s. This 15-minute chart looking like it wants to take out like 987s.
Not a good day for the bulls.
Yeah.
All-time high trading.
The all-time traders.
All-time traders.
All-time traders. A little bit of speeding up there now. Okay. We're speeding up through the 24,000s. There's that low that we just tapped into, the, what was it, 88s. I don't know why everybody's freaking out right now in the chat.
About what?
I don't know.
What did they say?
Just freaking out about everything. Patrick, I can't believe you blew up your account. Okay.
All right.
All right. It's
Leave me
done.
alone.
Fuck it. I don't give a like. I would take that trade all day, every day. I don't really care what anybody says. I took a trade. The fucking market decided it was going to dump 60 points. It is what it is. I don't know why anybody's fucking... Everybody in the chat who's got something to do. Like, I really don't give a fuck. My personal account's green right now. I'm up $2,600 on my personal account, so... Welcome to trading. All right, NASDAQ ripping back up here now. It's like you can make $1 million yesterday, but then if you lose money today, oh God, you suck. You're the worst trader ever. I can't believe you lost money on a trade.
Only as good as your last race.
Yeah, only as good as your last fucking trade, clearly.
Oh man.
All right, we're stuck there below the VWAP.
I'm still considering a short here almost.
Then take a short, Greg. Don't talk about it. Be about it. I want you to fucking take it.
All right.
If you're considering it, take the fucking trade. Don't let me influence you, because again, I'm not always going to be here. You need to like take trades that you think are good trades, so that way you can think about if they work out or not. And you can say, hey, look, like you got to build up that confidence. You know what I mean? Like if this is a short, then take it.
Yeah.
You like a short?
Not yet. I wanted to go a little higher, right?
You wanted to go higher.
Well, like I don't know. When I was talking about it, I should have just taken it right then.
Yeah. Well, you said 10s. It went to the 15s.
Yeah.
Why'd you not take it? Fucking A, Greg. For now on, if you see a trade, just take it.
Yeah.
And like tell me, hey, I like this short. I'm taking it. You know what I mean? Like, let's do that. For the rest of this mentorship, if you see a trade you like, take it.
We tried that Tuesday. It didn't work last Tuesday.
I mean, but that's the thing though. Like, you're never going to learn if you don't take trades.
Yeah.
Just talking about them, you're not going to make any money just talking about trades.
Well, yeah.
And it's also like by the time like you talk about it, it might be over.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, maybe I'll take this trade. Well,
I like to like. I'm trying to
50 points.
I'm trying to like reaffirm like the correct decisions though, instead of like reaffirming the wrong decisions. You know. So if I keep taking the wrong trades,
you should be like, okay, what are we doing? We're below the VWAP. We're below the EMAs.
Yeah.
This is a short.
Yeah.
We just
that's your short.
just take it. Yeah.
We're below the 15-minute range. You got everything all lined up, so it's like take the trade, and then fucking talk about, you know, then you can figure out if it was a bad idea or not.
Yeah.
Right now, still holding up there at the 24,000 area. We're stuck right below the VWAP now.
Might be a good time to go short.
All right. I'm going into it.
Doing it.
So I'm short with my stop above basically 15, 16, 17. I mean, I guess I should just go to the...
Greg is short at the 03s now.
Yeah.
Now that's going to be the high or low. It's going to rip.
Fucking just rip. Yeah, rip my face off.
No, I mean, you're doing everything you wanted to do. You push back up there. It's holding, right? We can see your trade here.
And then target, I should obviously be below these candles
the lows,
now.
those candles for sure. I'd be maybe even try to trail it a little bit.
Yeah.
Put 2 there below those lows and then try to trail the last 3.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
So far, so good.
Yep.
We're hanging there. We're hanging in there.
Except for look at that. I was about to make the mistake. I'm not even going to say it out loud. I'm not going to say it
Focus
out
on the
loud.
trade. Focus on the trade. Talk. Trade.
Yeah,
What's
yeah, yeah.
happening? Look at the trade. Talk to me. What is going on?
It's going kind of in the right direction.
No, it's not. Not going. And tell me, it's stuck below the EMAs.
Yeah, stuck below the
right
EMAs.
now, what do we want to see happen? We want to see take out those 90s to go for new lows.
Correct.
All
Yep.
right, so talk about it.
We're
Like, don't
looking-
just like giggle and laugh about it. Like, we're trying to make money here, my
Yeah.
friend. Let's go.
So we're waiting for it to break 89s.
There
as
it
long
goes.
as it breaks 89s,
All right, you like
we
it?
should
It's
keep
looking
going.
good. It's following your plan.
I like it.
Let's get through those 90s.
Looking to the left to see where we might have support and stuff. Which, yeah, if it breaks 83, it should definitely keep going. So broke 83. Now
Oh.
should I start trailing the stop or do a
move,
different
you can
target?
move. You got to change it to 3 though.
Yeah.
Great trade. Keep talking
Yeah,
about
I
it. Don't
agree.
stop. Don't
All
get
right.
fucking. You
So
got
now
2 on there.
I'm trailing the stop. Yeah. Oops, sorry. So trailing the stop, I should put it right at the base of that, top of that candle, right?
I would just. I would let it go a little lower
Yeah.
first before you like really put that target there.
Yeah.
Because let's like give it some room here. Maybe it wants to go.
Give her
fucking
some room to
60,
breathe.
50s. Let's go for a big trade here.
Big old trade. All right. So if we're looking to the left, where are we seeing the next potential stopping point?
You tell me.
Well, we can't do it on the 1 minute because that's too small of a time frame, right? So looking at the 5 minute, maybe we have some support at the 860s.
860s.
Yep.
You want to go all the way down there?
860s?
Maybe.
Yesterday's close is 934.
Oh yeah. Well, hold on, guys. Listen, we
Yes.
zoomed out a little bit hard on that 5 minute. All right?
Yesterday's high is 950.
So no, I guess I'm going for. I'm sorry. I guess I'm going for like a 941, 943 would be a good
Yeah,
one.
45s or so.
Yeah.
Maybe like 50s. Just depends.
Yeah.
The gap fill puts us all the way back down there to the 940s, 39s.
Yeah.
I like that.
So put a sell at like 51. You think?
A sell? No.
Just
a buy.
or buy a cover? Yeah. Sorry. In case it wicks hard.
How many
Come on.
contracts did you get in with?
I did 5.
5 micros.
Yeah, 5 micros.
And you're okay.
We
so
still
you-
got 3.
nice.
Should I move my stop up a little bit to still give it a little bit more room? Or keep it where she's at?
I mean, you tell me. What do you feel?
I feel like I
What do
want
you
it to
feel?
drop all the way down to
All right,
51.
so what do you need to do? If you want it to go lower, then you might have to move your stop up.
Yeah. At the
But
top
that's
of that
also like if
candle.
you move your stop up, then you know that's
yeah, you might. Yeah.
you gotta weigh the odds. Is this a high probability setup to move down there through those lows now? You know, like is there a gap? There is the gap fill.
Oh, and it broke.
Yeah, there it goes. All right.
So far,
So far.
good trade.
So far, so good.
Good trade, man. That was good.
Look at that. Can you do it?
I mean, I wouldn't let it go back to red on you.
No. At least break even.
Yeah. If this candle closes below the 80s here, then you can probably move your stop to like the high of that little candle, right?
Yeah.
Like you just want to like see that get through that kind of like see how it's almost like a little mini bear flag. It's like another little bear flag playing out. So if we get those candles to close below the 80s, then it's like we're coming for that your target to the lows. Right now
Yeah.
it's holding that 80s, so If you get stopped, you get stopped. Don't worry
Yeah.
about it. It's all good. You can always re-enter. Another flag.
Yeah.
Got the VWAP at the 07s. Stuck right there below the 4,000s.
Come on, just go down. You're going the wrong way. There we go. Bounced off the EMA a little. And now it's going to sink.
10:15 right now. Apple still going higher. The ES pulling back into the middle of the 15-minute range right now. Middle of the 15-minute range there on the ES. Kind of turning back up here a little bit, but the NASDAQ still heading down while the ES is holding up in the middle of the 15-minute range. The VWAP is there. We got the low of the 85s on the ES. We kind of thinking this might be the little pop back up.
So stinking close.
Still holding on there. Still holding on, Greg. Come on,
Still
buddy.
on.
Are you still in it?
Yeah. Would you have moved it though? Because those two candles are a little bit stronger to try to just get more.
Nah, I mean, just
Let it play out.
let it play out. Just let it play out. You still,
Let
I mean,
her
worst kind of
ride.
worst, you're still walking away with some money in your pocket. You already locked in some. But now it's like if this goes all the way to the 50s, that's a 50-point trade.
That's a good one.
Right?
Yeah.
Like that's a great risk to reward here at this point.
Yeah.
You're not even you're risking nothing to possibly get 50.
Yeah. So we're in the driver's seat now.
Yeah, you're in the driver's seat. Let it just ride. You
We're
know?
feeling good. Feeling good, chat. Those are good
Feeling
candles.
good. Yeah.
We just need to bounce off this EMA again. Oh, it's so close.
Coming back up.
That's it.
ES is just kind of keeping it alive for now. Hey, either way, look, you set yourself up for a great trade, right? You had your short.
Yeah.
You could have got short even higher.
Yeah.
You know, you even said before that short, you're like, oh, I want to look for the 10s and then get short.
Right.
And then it got to the 10s, and what did you do?
I've bumbled it, but still I got
Well,
it.
then you started like talking your reason out of it. You're like, oh, maybe I wanted to go higher.
Yeah.
Right? It's like you just can't. You can't do that.
Right. You got to.
Everybody wants to fucking, you know, try to pick the bottom, the top of every move, and it's just like you got to go. You
Gotta be
got to put
quick
the
with it.
fucking trade on and let it ride. If
See how
it
it
works
goes.
out, it works out. If it don't, it don't.
Yeah.
But at least you're on the right side of the trade.
Yeah.
And there might be another. If we set up, like, let's say we get through the 80s again, there might be another short opportunity.
Yeah.
Everyone in the chat's got something to say. Should have done this, should have done that. But guys, that's the part. That's like the thing is, at the end of the day, it's only you, right? Only Greg is gonna make that decision of what he's gonna do. So, shoulda, coulda, woulda is the worst fucking thing in the world. Everyone's like, oh, you should have just covered everything at the bottom. Like, what if it went to 50?
Right.
Then you'd be like, fuck, I should have held.
Yeah.
You know, like that trade I took earlier when it fucking dropped 60 points on me. Like it could have ripped 60 points. It
Right.
could have.
Yeah.
There's no reason that it couldn't have.
Right.
You
Just
know
a
what I mean? Like just because it
50-50,
pulled
yeah.
back does not make, oh, you're the worst trade ever. Like it's just probabilities. Like we're literally playing into probabilities. Like the idea here, the market goes up, it goes down. We're just looking to trade.
To make money on the right
The
side.
same people that are sitting here fucking coming up with, you know, oh, this is, you know, I got this answer, I got this. It's like for every person who says it's a short, there's somebody in the chat saying it's a long.
Yeah.
You know, it's like hilarious because is everybody wrong? You know, who's right? Who, like, you know what I mean? Like nobody's wrong, no one's right. It's just you have to take a trade based off what you see, and then if it works out, it works out.
Yeah. Stick with it.
But like, I don't know. People get so wrapped up in this idea that like every trade has to be a fucking amazing winner.
Perfect. Yeah. Picture perfect trade.
At the end of the fucking day, it's like, did you make money or did you not make money? I mean, I think maybe if we get stuck here below the 24,000s, we start to roll back down. It's kind of looking
Look a good one.
like a bear flag here again. You see another bear flag set up.
Yeah.
Take another bear flag set up. Don't be afraid of it. You got a great risk to reward there when you think about it. If you like it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let me influence you, but Blaine said that he started being profitable after not feeling he has to win every trade. Trust me, the worst thing you can do is think that you have to trade every fucking trade. That you have to trade every trade. That you have to make money in every trade. I could have got out for a small profit there earlier on my trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't necessarily love it. I almost think we're kind of in the middle. Like it could end up popping 14 and then trickle a little bit higher for a sec.
All right, well, see, that's
or it could
part
come
of
down.
That's
Yeah,
part of
it could come down.
The trading
pop
process.
76. Yeah.
Right now, you're like, hey, I'd rather see it pop up, kind of
show a direction.
Make
Yeah.
another lower high, maybe below the 20s.
Either go up or
You
go
know,
down.
let's get that set up to play out. We got the VWAP right there, the 07s. So it's just like right there below the VWAP.
And yeah, it's starting to pop a little bit.
Little mini bull flag right there below the VWAP. Still stuck there below the VWAP. I mean, I think if we get below 90s, then we're heading towards that gap fill.
Yeah, back to game on.
So don't let the analysis paralysis, miss out on a trade.
Yeah.
You're in?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm in now.
Now he just gets in without even saying anything. Before he didn't get in. Now he's just,
I'm in.
All right, well, Greg's in.
What are you guys?
You're in short.
Yeah, correct. Because I like that it broke that, a couple candles ago.
Hey, and see, now you've placed your bet, and now you got to see what happens.
See what happens. Let her
Right?
ride.
If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. It is just part of the game.
Part of the game.
And you would put your stop. I mean, do you agree with that stop? Stop at like 08?
Yeah.
Or would you play it
I mean,
tight or
maybe
do it like
maybe
06, 07?
15s, but not the best stop placement, but I think you're going to be all right.
Yeah.
Although, I mean, what do I know? What do I know? What do I really know at the end of the day? I'm just some idiot with a hat on that says "Make trading great again."
Just a simple sandwich guy.
Just a guy out here living the dream, boys. Just out here living the dream, one trade at a time.
I would like to see it hit the VWAP one more time.
ES is trying to pull back here. NASDAQ's trying to pull back. Candle's looking wiki.
Wicca.
Manus, why did I not think that it was a good idea to get short at the pivot point earlier? Like I said, it's really hard to believe that pivot point's going to be the fucking, the one thing, the line in the sand that just stops the NASDAQ from going higher today. But maybe I should have stuck to my plan, believed it, I guess. It's just hard. We're at this all-time high trading, and it's just not
It's tough.
it's not normal trading. As funny as that sounds, it's not normal trading. The bear flags turn into bull flags. The bull flags turn into bear flags. We're at the fucking all-time high. There's that move through the 90s now.
Nice
Come on,
wick.
keep going.
Move those targets down, little pussy. What do you mean? Move them down. What are you doing? Move those targets down. Let's go. Come on.
Pat likes his trade.
No, I mean, I just don't there's no point in fucking putting on a trade and trying to get the bottom of these candles. Like I said before, look for more, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go long. Look at that. You would have already taken profit right there, and you'd been so happy. But look, we're gonna get more. We're gonna get more out of it. As I say, it's gonna come fucking
Like, yeah,
straight back up.
exactly.
Fuck. I mean, if the ES gets through the VWAP, then the NASDAQ should just crater here. We got the close, the gap fill. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're going gap fill today, baby. 37s. I want you to hold at least one contract all the way to the gap fill potential.
Holy.
Sounds good.
937s.
Sounds good.
Biggest trade of Greg's life right now. I'm short
In
as
it
well on my personal
to
account.
Win it.
Come on, Greg. I'm doing this with you. I am short with you, my friend.
Live on YouTube.
I'm short. From
I'm putting my
85.
own money on this trade. Look at that. I'm literally in it right now, short with you, my friend. Look at this. We're still going. Let's go, Gregory.
Woo!
Come on, Gregory.
Let's do it.
Let's go, Greg.
Come on, Greg.
All right.
Take me to the fucking promised land, Greg.
All right. We
Take
got
me to the fucking promised land, Greg.
2 of them.
65s now. Beautiful. Do you see what I meant though? Like the fact of like, why the fuck would you put your take profit at the bottom of those candles that we just like had a very small little bear flag kind of set up there, you know?
And then would you put a stop right above like 88?
Yeah.
Just to make sure you get it?
Yeah, I mean, you could put your stop at 85s to guarantee 10 points in the last 3 if you wanted to.
Yeah. I like it. We're learning. We're learning, chat, together. Let's hold each other's hands.
I do the same though. When I get in a trade, I'll put like my TP at the bottom of the candles, and then it'll blow right past it.
Motherfucker.
Well, I mean, it's also just like,
if it's gonna go
if
there,
it's gonna go. Like, is it
It's
really
gonna
gonna
go,
just
it's
go to
gonna
the
go.
75s and then stop and, you know, like magically just not go any lower? If you're, you know, if you're short and you're like, oh, it's gonna go lower, and it's like, oh, magically it's gonna just stop at the fucking at the 75s here
Yeah,
after
it should go to
that
the
bear flag.
It
Like,
should go to
fuck
the
no.
gap. Yeah,
Fuck
you're right.
no, chat. I'm took a little bit of profit there at the 65s from the 89s. I got one contract left, kind of trailing this down in my personal live account. I'll go 77s. If I'm gonna tell Greg to hold for I'm gonna look for the gap fill potential here as well. We're not far from it now, 940 area. Come on, Gregory.
Come on. Live on YouTube. Man, I mean, yeah, it feels great. Feels great. Keep
This is the
going.
best trade of your life.
Yeah,
Best
that was
trade
a
of
really
my
good
life.
Futures
trade.
trading. Come on.
Best future trade of my life.
Your kids at home like, what? Dad said this is his best thing of his life?
It's muted. It's muted. They just see the
They can't
smile.
hear him. It's on putting the captions.
Yeah. What is this R word that I keep seeing come up?
Can't spell. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Just does some stupid shit like this. Just to, like, this is what the NASDAQ loves to do. Just to, like, do some stupid shit where it just, like, comes back up.
Do
Like,
another
it makes you, like, think you're going to get out. And, like, then it ends up just going lower afterwards, you know. But,
trying to make another flag.
Just building up.
yeah, building out another bear flag, basically. Exactly. Take your stop out and then fucking go. Greg's improved so much. Can't wait to see him trading on Friday. Uh-oh, Alex. Uh-oh, Alex. They think he's going to get that $5,000.
That was a good call out there.
Fuck yeah, it was a good call. I killed it. All right, come on, Gregory.
Come on.
Smile for the cameras.
Let it sink.
Smile for the cameras, Gregory.
Keep smiling so they know.
Gotta smile for the cameras. Trying to get this move down there to fill that gap. The gap fill puts us down there at the 936s, boys. Come on.
Oh,
buddy. Buddy.
Maybe.
Oh, buddy.
Maybe.
Oh, buddy. We're still short. We're riding it down. I'm moving my stop to the 58s here from the 89s. I'll take it. Nice and easy, baby. Boom. All right, Greg. What you looking at? What you got going on there?
I mean,
Greg?
I'm still riding. I'm gonna move my.
No, not. Oh.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Take 2.
All right.
Put 2 for. Take 2 here.
Just take them.
Just take 2 right here.
All right.
Right here on this fill. There you go.
Yeah.
And then move that one down here to the 940s flat.
940
Let's see if we get this all the way gap fill.
flat.
And then you just put one stop right there at the 74s. Can't lose. It's a free trade at this point. It's a free fucking trade, Greg. It's free.
Oh, at the 74s. You said.
It's fucking free, Greg.
It's free money.
It's free fucking money
What is
here.
it? What is today? Wednesday? Free money
yeah, look at the
Wednesday.
camera's not even centered on this guy. You gotta get this guy in the
Jesus.
center, man.
All we do is win.
Get that smile looking good on the center of the camera.
The BDH.
You probably had hundreds of people take that trade with you.
I probably got super excited.
Look at that. Down there into the 50s now. Fuck yes.
Venmo
Fuck
me, chat.
yes, Greg.
Send me a Venmo.
Is Alex trading today? No, he's just over there watching.
I
Are you
took
short too, right?
I was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out.
All right. Fuck yeah.
But that was on my personal. My other one, I'm down big on my
On your
take
My
profit
Funded?
account.
Or
No,
Take
my
Profit?
my funded, I'm up 100. In my take profit, I'm down a lot of money.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, not good.
Greg, how much is your course? What the fuck? I just... Hey. Hey.
Listen,
Hey.
if you guys want to learn how to trade with me and goats,
No.
The subtle plug.
No, fuck that. I got you into that trade.
I got you into that.
Don't,
Now he's taking credit.
are you kidding
He
me?
says, "Don't listen to me.
Wait,
Take
are
your
you
own
really kidding me
trade."
right now?
I take a trade,
Are-
and
no
all of a sudden
fucking way.
Patrick's like, "Oh, it's my
Yeah,
trade."
no. You took the other bear flag. I called out this bear flag and said we're going to lows. You would have already gotten taken profit at the 75s, motherfucker. Think about that. You were ready to take profit at 75s.
I can't hear you, Patrick.
Yeah,
over the money.
exactly.
I can't
These
hear you over the
motherfuckers,
money.
man. They don't ever give credit where credit is due. God damn it. Look, see what's the best part now? Look where your stop's at. That's where you originally fucking would have taken profit at.
Yeah, I agree.
So we just turned a very small profit trade into a very nice profit trade
Nice
for you.
hefty
You
trade.
know?
Some might even say,
You would have taken profits a long time ago.
Fuck yeah, he would have. He would have taken profit at fucking 90. If he got short at 92, he got out at 90 already.
"Yeah, man." I got.
He got
Listen,
2 points.
I got my 5
He got 2
points.
fucking points. Thought he was a genius.
Got my 5 points out of it.
God, this fucking guy, he's gonna start selling a course now. He's like, so I went to the PW mentorship, and this is everything I learned.
I'm gonna charge
For only
$205.
$5,000, I'll teach you everything that PW taught me.
I'm gonna upsell you by $6. I'm gonna sell mine for $205.
Oh man.
It's literally just gonna be. You're gonna see like the PW watermarks in the background. It's literally his course, and then like I'll just AI
Fuck
my
you,
face
Greg.
onto his.
Somebody said your course is called Goats and Gaps.
There you go. Goats and gaps.
Come on, Gregory. Look at this. Where are we at?
Look at that. Would you just look at it?
Greg forgot he's even in a trade. He's never held a trade this long.
Should I take it out or wait till 40?
I mean, at this point, you might as well fucking let it
Might as well let
go
her
to
ride.
the 40s.
Let her ride.
Just for the sheer
Entertainment value.
entertainment purpose. ES has still got some room to the downside here to try to fill the gap on the ES. The gap on the ES is 468. So trade micro PW. What? I know I trade the minis.
The minis.
My personal account on the day right now is sitting at $4,445.
That's
Had a
because-
little bit of a a little bit of a fucking debacle there in the morning, but shorted there at the 90s, took that down there to the 60s, had another short there earlier as well into the 85s. So
Luckily,
trading
Patrick.
my own money, man. No more prop firm accounts.
Patrick copied my trade to bring his
Yeah, Greg.
account
Thanks,
positive.
Greg. I'm making that fourth. I'm gonna make $5,000 so that I can pay you guys on Friday. All right. Greg is still short from the 92s. Epic trade either way. 40 points.
Diamond hands, Greg.
40 points
Look at
down
that.
there to the 53s, basically. So it's kind of still just like bear flagging here again.
Yeah, I think it might go for another one. What do I do?
Kind of building out another bear flag if we're making a new low here again.
How low can we
I'm
go?
trading with Optimus Futures. Giovanni Joe said that he's never been in this long. True story.
True story. That's what she said.
You're not wrong. You never lasted this long, Greg.
Chicken Joe.
Chicken Joe.
Speak to me, Chicken Joe. Thinking about it.
Were you watching the course last night?
No, honestly, I've stayed away from it this week. Not to say.
Okay.
But if you guys want to see,
away from the course.
if you guys want to see my course that I've been,
Oh, he's making his own course in the hotel room.
God.
Yo, that's funny.
no, you know, you get too into your head too, right? You get so I've still been watching I'll rewatch the live stream at the end of each day. And I'll rewatch kind of like your explanation of like, what do we do wrong? What was our thought process here? Things like that.
Getting really tight here at the bottom. If we lose this 50s, I don't see how we don't dip it down even more.
But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm an overthinker, so just studying charts all day. Like,
Who would have
I'm
thought?
just
Greg's an overthinker. Nobody would have ever thought that, Greg. Nobody.
Shit.
Dude, if you were doing this at home, you know, behind your own computer or whatever, it'd be different. You wouldn't really be thinking
Almost
that much.
down
You'd
there
be
to the
hitting the
fucking
button.
40s.
Oh, I know. There'd be so many like
Broke the 50s, down there to the 42s now.
3 points. We'll take it.
This looks maybe like a bit of a bounce back up here now.
Reversal. Man, that was so close too. It literally went down to
Stupid close.
42.50, and I was at 40.75.
Took out those lows for now, just to chop it back up there. 60s.
What was that? Was the London low, right? That's what it bounced off of. Was the London low?
Bears are still holding it below the 60s there. Little pushback up on the ES as well.
Oh, I was so close.
My P&L, up 100 in my funded, down 1,800 in my eval. Yeah,
It hurts,
It
but it
does
feels
hurt.
good. You feel alive, though, right? You feel alive,
dude,
boys.
it is.
He feels alive right now. I mean, see, like,
And that's
here,
from 2
there's a couple
trades, though.
theory. One theory here could be that you would try to maybe add to this short.
Oh.
You know, you could always try. Maybe that would be the theory here, but someone goes, Pat, you know what? You ever heard of trading with dummies?
With what?
Greg's will be trading with a dummy. Wow, they think you're a dummy, Greg.
There you go.
It's fucked up.
That's fucked up. It's all right.
I like it. No reaction.
Yeah,
That's
no,
fun.
he's all right. You know, you're a good guy. I'm sure.
Wow.
He's seen worse.
I'm sure that's a good guy.
Ripping back
Not a
up here,
good
that was
human
kind
being.
of a sign with that dip below, but
I can come back.
Don't
I can
call
come
to
back.
come back.
oh, okay. Stuck there below the 70s. Come on, Gregory.
Woo.
It's not over yet, my friend.
Woo.
This is the longest trade of Greg's life.
Look at that. Well, longest positive trade of Greg's life. We've held some losers this long before, you know.
Yeah, sorry. I should have prefaced. This is the longest green trade of Greg's life.
You guys are too silly. I mean, we didn't break above the EMA, so that's got to be a good sign.
Where's your TP? 975
Uh,
for your stop.
Yeah, that's the stop. Oh, 940. Though I'm almost tempted to bring this thing up to like 943.
940. What?
No, I mean if it drops below,
I mean, at this point, yeah, if it gets to the bottom of that
I think
wick,
if
it
it
should
goes-
keep going.
Oh, I mean, at that point, yeah, I know. If we break that low at the 40s, then you're like looking for more to the downside for sure.
yeah,
That's one thing I do too. Like if my target, it's like if we get really close to my target, but we don't break through my target,
Yeah,
then I'm almost always gonna move my target,
yeah.
right? Because like
So we
it
should
would
move.
just be stupid basically
Yeah.
at this point, because like you leave your target. I mean,
Yeah, you might-
yeah, it's like you leave your target right there at the low, and what's gonna happen? It's gonna fucking.
It's gonna wick it.
It's gonna take out that low of that candle, and then there's obviously some more room to the downside there.
So let's find our next target.
That's like the same thing. Even like when you're long and like the market's moving up, and you're like, it gets like 1 point from your fucking
Yeah.
target, and then it pulls back, starts to consolidate, and then goes higher. It's like, I mean, it should go lower,
Yeah.
right? I mean, it should go lower.
She's got more. She's got more to give.
Overturned school bus in Cleveland, Texas.
Man, you saw that one video last year, the girl that
Here
got
we
off.
go. Focus, Greg. Focus on your trade.
Time to focus.
Maybe you want to. Do you want to add, or what are you thinking? Like, which? Because think about it. If you weren't in this trade right now, think about this. If you were not in this trade and you were flat, would you short here again?
I don't like that the last two candles just broke the candle that was at 1031 though. So I guess no, I wouldn't go short now because now I'm almost thinking like, ugh. Is she?
Well, it's kind of
sneaking?
the same short you had before, though.
Yeah.
Kind of is.
Is that just like some like weird thing? You know what I mean?
I like a short here.
Yeah, like I guess I'd want to see it, I don't know, break 50s again or something like that, and then I'd feel a little bit more confident that we're still.
I think a break through the 50s would be a good spot to add, and that's just like kind of adding into that momentum. That way, you're just kind of maximizing your. Because in there, your average is still going to be 70s or 80s.
Yeah.
On that trade, so it's not like you're all of a sudden, oh my god, my average is 50.
Yeah.
Like your average would basically be where your stop is right now. So it's kind of like
Not terrible.
something to think about.
You add
It's
like
up to you. Up
add
to you.
3 contracts to it.
Are you good? Honestly,
Gee.
I mean, it is a bear flag. She's flirting with it.
Flirting.
I like shorts here.
The ES is also moving down, trying to make a new low on the ES here. ES has the gap fill, so if the NASDAQ starts going, or well, if the ES makes a new low, NASDAQ should make a new low here as well. The Dow pulling back here as well. The NASDAQ pulling back, ES, NASDAQ, everything kind of pulling back. All right, so you put an order out there. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, 57s.
To add to it?
Yeah.
5-minute bear flag. All right.
All right, we're in 4 now,
Big
guys.
Daddy over here got short. 3 more. Let's go. Oh, beautiful trade, Greg. Come on, Gregory.
Beautiful. Let's do
Come
it.
on, Gregory.
There you go.
Beautiful trade, Greg. Beautiful fucking trade, boys.
Great ad.
Look at that. Great fucking ad on Greg's trade
I'm
there.
short from 59. TP
Nice.
is actually, I want to go to that gap fill, which is yesterday's close, 934.
Ooh. We're screaming and yelling about beautiful trade, and then it pops right back up. Classic.
Classic.
Classic. They're defending those lows right now down there to the 45s. Wow.
Not good.
Times at 10:42.
You can do it. Just a massive doji candle there.
Just need that ES to continue lower here. NASDAQ just kind of holding up there. Putting in a kind of a higher low for now just to be stupid on everybody.
Oh, don't break the EMAs. Do you agree with those stops then? I have 2 at 70 and then 2 at 74.
I mean, you might as well put them all at 70. I think if we break back above 70s, or your 74 is getting taken out for sure. So at that point, you might as well just say YOLO, I'm out.
Get out clean.
Well, that's the thing though, right? Like this today, right now, this trade pulled back, right? It pushed back up. It happens. On some setups, some days you're gonna have that move. You're gonna get another 50 points out of it.
Yeah, get a
So
nice
it's
explosive
like,
move.
people love to sit here and be like, why would you ever do that? It's stupid. Same time, it's like,
It was a good risk to
coulda,
reward.
shoulda, woulda. You know, you took a trade, you put a trade on, and you got to live with it.
And it still hasn't broken yet.
Still has not stopped you out yet. We're teasing it. Don't worry, it will.
I know, right? It will. Yeah, there it is.
There it goes.
Still, good overall trade.
I mean, I love I just love the fact that everybody in the chat has the answer, right? Everyone's got the answer.
Yeah.
You know, it's trading, man. It's just, if everybody in the chat knew what they were doing, they wouldn't fucking be here.
Yeah, they
you know
wouldn't
what I mean?
be
Like
here.
if all the experts in the chat talked about how, you should have covered down there, it was guaranteed to be a long. Like,
Yeah.
okay, well, how much money are you guys making?
And why are you
why
still
the fuck are
showing
you here
up?
watching?
Yeah, right.
If I was a genius like everybody in the chat who knows when to buy and sell, then I would just be fucking sitting at home getting my dick sucked trading. I'd be talking about getting my dick sucked a lot, but you know, I'd just be all day long just be sitting there. Yeah,
Just getting drained.
Traded.
Guy's just always drained.
All right, that account is gone.
Let us pray.
I only had $200 drawdown, so
Yeah, it was a tight one.
A moment. We got a moment for
moment.
the. But look, now it's like fucking so retarded. Just comes right back down again. Stuck at the previous day high. Yeah, right there, 48s. I mean, it's like now it's like again kind of looking. Dude, Mandy, you got a hater in the chat, Alex. Mandy don't like you.
What?
Is that your ex-girlfriend from middle school or
Could
something,
be.
bro?
Who's Mandy?
Mandy does not like Alex in the chat.
What's Mandy saying?
She just talks like Alex sucks. Worst person ever.
where is he? You know,
Alex
we
is
just made
literally
Alex.
the
He's
Dude, I
Word
can't
of
believe Alex's ex-girlfriend is here,
I've been
bro.
green every day except 2 here. Mandy, come on, let's see your charts.
God, Mandy.
Mandy.
Fucking Mandy.
And I'm still green in one of my accounts, so
Ooh, how you like
Mandy
that?
don't
What's
like
up?
Alex.
How you like that, Mandy?
And look at that. Look at that.
Fuck
NASDAQ
you.
down there to the fucking 40s. Everybody, that's why I love everybody in the chat. Like, this is where it's going to reverse and go back up the rest of the day now.
Oh, man.
Like, okay, well, what happened? It went lower.
What did we do wrong with that stop?
I mean, that's all that is just a trap. That's
Yeah.
all. That was just a fucking
Yeah.
perfect little bull trap
Perfect
to get
trap.
everybody excited that it was going to go back up and then just going to fuck them all, you know? Like, they just love doing that.
Damn. Yeah.
I am currently up $5,920 in my live account.
Nice.
Not live funded, my own fucking personal account, you fuckers.
Fuckers.
I'll put my own money in the account. I'll put my own money in my account.
That's what I'm
There you
about to
go.
do
Yeah,
Friday.
no, I didn't buy the 50K account. I put 50K in it. We got 5,000 people watching right now. We got Greg. I mean, that's just like, it just sucks.
Yeah,
right? That's all that is.
'cause that
It's
could've been a
just
good-
shitty,
Could have been a good
fucking
compound.
stupid trade.
Yeah.
Right? You had everything lined up.
Stars
and that
were
was just,
aligned.
all that was just fucking dumb luck.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't care what anyone says. It's just dumb fucking luck. Right? You had the plan. You weren't trying to get long, at least.
Right.
You had a short.
Yeah.
You had everything planned out. And it's just fucking dumb luck that the market decided to pop back up, stop you out, and then go fucking lower.
yeah.
Right? That's all it is. And, and then, like,
Because, yeah,
again,
that
I
ran
don't
like
care what anybody
20
says.
points
They're
right
gonna
there,
sit here and
too.
be like, yeah, but you know it was gonna.
He could have done it. He
Okay,
could
well
have.
then, like,
Should have covered and then went back in and then spun around in a bowl of mashed potatoes. The fuck?
so I mean, it is what it is.
They're watching our stream. They wanted to take you out.
Literally, listen, Jerome Powell has been watching me.
Well, there's times where the market fucking gets really close to your stop and it doesn't stop you out, and you don't go, oh my god, I'm so lucky.
Yeah.
Right? I'm so lucky you didn't stop me out. You're just like, ah, I'm a genius.
Yeah.
Right? But it's like, there's also times where the market just you get unlucky. And the market just does stupid shit for no reason.
So we'll take that back. We gave you a little bit. We're going to
That's
take
the
that little
problem too
piece
with the,
back.
the 1 minute chart is like, it's just constantly just
That's a
doing
lot of
stupid
noise.
shit just to fuck with people.
Just like you said, a lot of noise.
Look at the 5 minute chart. I mean, tell me that wasn't a fucking bear flag on the 5 minute chart there. I mean, the only thing I could think of that would have maybe been a better play is like, what's funny is even that 5 minute candle, like we didn't take out the high of this 5 minute candle. We took out these two highs, I guess. So maybe that was, but again, it's like, what do you know?
So
what
yeah,
are you gonna do?
the stop
What
could
are
have
you
been
gonna
just
do?
barely
You know?
higher. Yeah.
It is what it is. I'm just like, I'm really tired of the fucking people constantly, like every trade is like, they act like they're fucking,
Yeah.
like if you have a losing trade that you've now just, you're the worst
You're
trader in the world.
nothing to me now.
Right? Like I lose a lot of trades. I do. I like 100%. Like I've never claimed to never lose trades. Like there's a lot of like very profitable traders that lose a lot of trades.
Yeah.
But they also win a lot of trades. And that's just trading, right? It's called trading.
Trading.
Not
If we were
counting.
right all the time, we wouldn't be here. No offense, Pat.
I mean, nobody. Trust me, if I was right all the time too. I mean, I'm right the majority of the time. That's the good thing, at least. I mean, I'm sitting about 65%. You know,
Got a
win
good
rate.
win. Got a good
65% of
win
the
rate
time
for
I'm
being
right, you know. But that means 45. That means what? 35% of the time I'm not right, which is a lot of times. 35% of the time is a lot of times. If every trade you take, 35% of the time you lose, and that's trading.
Oh, yeah, what am I at right now? What am I at?
Well, we hit that gap fill, yesterday's close, and then we bounced right off it. Time is
PW took the trade at opening and lose a ton of money and said it's an eval account. Otherwise, you saying that's funded account. No, I just said it was an eval. God. These people, they be all up in my dick constantly. Look. Can't even where to pull it up at. FT Pro Plus account. Blew it. I'm okay with it. I'm going to survive.
You're gonna be all right.
I'll be all right. I'm going to come back from it. Don't worry. I could really give zero fucks about prop firm accounts right now. So I'm trying to make that real money.
I mean, when you're up 5K in your own account,
I'm up 5,900
yeah,
in my own account.
you're gonna try to get to that 6.
It's definitely looming. Trying to get that whole number. Trying to get that whole number there. I want that whole number there.
How many accounts have you blown, roughly?
Mine?
That's what someone
I
asked.
don't know. Fucking 5,000 accounts, 10,000 accounts. Who the fuck? I don't think about it, to be honest. You know what I think about? Is the $1 million in fucking payouts I've gotten. I think about that a lot. You know, when people ask me like, "Oh, how's trading going?" I think, well, you know, it's going pretty good. Made about fucking $1 million. Blew a 5,000 accounts, but I made I made $1 million. So
Do the math.
seems like a good fucking idea to me. Pretty good math.
Do the math.
I mean, the reason that I've also blown so many accounts too is the fact that like I just see no purpose in trading evals. Like for me, I don't feel like I'm not gonna sit there and trade an eval for a week long and be all safe and like, you know.
It's tough, man. It's
Well, especially for like Apex, the 1 day pass. If you know that you can pass in 1 day, are you not gonna like blow 100 accounts in 1 day just
exactly.
to pass?
Just blast
exactly.
You know what I mean? Like, why not? If it costs you fucking $500 to pass, you know, 20 accounts, that sounds good to me.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, like I'm, you know, I'm a little different than most people, but I'm not telling everyone to do that. But like for me personally, like I don't see a purpose of trying to be like, hey guys, I've been trading this eval for 1 month, and I'm finally gonna pass it. You know, like what do I care? Stupid. It's a waste of my fucking time. Like if you're not making money in a fucking eval.
Yeah, it's been interesting seeing some of those videos of people crying. They're like, I've been working on this account for 6 or 7 months. I finally passed it.
What?
My very first day, I blew it up. That's what I'm thinking too. I'm like, damn, that's a long time to like. And how many did you blow
Not
up, you
making
know,
any
of
money.
other accounts and stuff on your way there? And damn.
Yeah, I mean, and the funny part is like people try to be like, oh, I heard you blew up 500 fucking combines. You know, I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Well, what's the argument here?
Yeah.
Well, well, if you think about it, if you're trading 5 at a time,
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, and you blow
it
it up.
sounds like
Boom.
a lot, but when you're trading 5 at a time,
Yeah.
every clip,
You
you're
can blow
trading 5
through. You can blow
accounts,
through
like,
them quick.
You're gonna blow through them. Like, is this like one? You know, like same thing with Apex. When I trade Apex, I trade 20 accounts.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh my god, you blew 3,000 accounts, and it's like, what's the math on that? What's the actual number of accounts?
Right.
You could blow. Do you copy trade when you did?
Yeah, I always copy. Why
Apex?
would I not copy trade
20 in a
every
row, yeah.
fucking, you know,
I mean,
like if I'm
especially
trading
if it's-
evals, why would I not copy trade?
Exactly.
Makes no sense. But that's also like there's also the theory, you know, that's why I want to be done trading prop firms for a while. Just me personally, I still think prop firms are an amazing leverage opportunity, but for me personally, I'm like, hey, I'm kind of at a point in my career, in my life, where I'm like, I kind of just want to trade my own money, see what happens. I've done it before. I've made money before, but like, could I make $50,000 trading my own account in a month? In theory. I mean, right now I'm up 17,000 on the month. Is 10% pass rate good? Probably. Greg should go study a real course. God. Go buy the Tory Trade.
The Tory Trade for 5,000.
It'll help you get way better.
Yours is too cheap.
Mine's too cheap for everybody.
That's what I was gonna do actually with the 5,000 that I'm about to win. I'm gonna use it for Tory Trade's course.
What?
5,000 you're about to win, huh?
If you message her, she might give you a discount. Be like, hey, I bought Patrick's course and I failed it. Can you give me a discount on your course? I
failed it.
Give me a $199 discount.
Yeah, people will like me.
Yeah. Well, you just say, hey, I can go write reviews online for you.
Yeah.
People know me. I was on PW's course on his mentorship.
Is her course actually 5K?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's cheap.
Nice.
Dude,
I wonder what you actually
Cass
get.
For SMC, you can pay, like 15,000 for the mentorship. Damn. Like imagine learning how to trade for some fucking retard who has never made money trading.
Yeah.
Like that's mind blowing. I'm just like, what? But then paying for it. It's one thing to like watch me on YouTube live and because it's free.
Yeah.
So like you can't be, like it's like you're kind of retarded for watching me, but like at the same time it's like
you're getting some value out
at
of
least
it.
it's free.
It's free.
Like at least you're not paying a monthly membership to join my fucking Discord, like to do it, Florida announces new law enforcement recruitment bonuses. Ooh. Time for me to go sign up.
Yeah, it just happened with my buddy's wife actually. She's like a SWAT team person and everything.
SWAT team person?
Yeah,
She's a SWAT team person.
Well, like every 2 weeks, like
she's a person on the SWAT team.
Yeah, it's like she's a lady on the SWAT team. Like
Lady SWAT
Yeah, it's
teamer.
pretty nuts, man. But she's been in there for like 23 years, and they just bumped it up. If she makes it to like 25, 26, something like that, then she gets like 80% of her salary for the rest of her life.
That's a long
For the
time,
pension?
though.
Yeah, it's fucking nuts.
25
Oh,
years.
it's a long time to be.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah.
real long time.
My buddy, his dad or grandpa, I guess grandpa, was in the military, got out of the military, then went and got a job as a postman
Yeah,
when he was like 45.
yeah.
So he got pension from the military and a pension from being a postman. And then he ended up dying with like $3 million in the bank because he just saved all his money his whole life.
Dude,
Damn.
those pensions though, that's the gig, man.
Yeah,
when you get like
in
you
the
get
military for 40 fucking years,
You get the
or 30 years or whatever
healthcare,
it
you
was,
get the
and then
money.
he went to be a postman. Getting
man.
that government job. It's funny because in Hawaii, when you live in Hawaii, like the dream job in Hawaii is to be a lifeguard or a firefighter.
No way.
Really?
Yeah, because you get insane benefits
Yeah.
and you also get paid really well.
Damn.
So it's like there's not a lot of jobs in Hawaii. So when you live in like you're either gonna work in tourism
Yeah.
or you're gonna work in construction to build tourism
Right,
stuff.
makes sense.
Or you're gonna like have to work for the government. So like everybody in Hawaii either works for the government or they work for tourism.
I didn't think about that for lifeguards though. That's
But like
crazy.
like tourism job, if you're working on like a shark diving boat, you probably don't have very good health benefits. Like hey, I do shark dive tours.
Yeah.
How's your insurance look? I don't have insurance.
Yeah,
They don't qualify my insurance.
just missing a hand.
Course giveaway. Yes, we got the course giveaway. Let's see. What do we got? I'm going to pull it up. NASDAQ right now just chopping around here. Just fucking chopping around here. At the lows right now. Can we go through here? The ES, the NASDAQ. ES still has room to the gap fill. 468. What is that? 468
Wow.
for the ES. We got the course winners. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Help me help you. I need more money to buy more cars, to pay for more fun every day.
Fun coupons.
Trying to buy another car here today. Oh Lord. All right, the winners of the course giveaway. This is a $200 course, by the way.
By the way.
I can charge $5,000
Oh, yeah.
for it. I'm telling you right now, this course, I would no.
Priceless.
I would bet $1 million that this course is better than Tory Trade's course all day. $1 million bet.
All
Now,
day.
I don't know how that bet plays out, but I'm just saying that's what I'm betting. Right? So we got Todd, we got Albert. We got Richard, Trishul, Patrick, Raj, Anit, Stokia, Ponta, Ingrid, Chris, David, William, Reach, Rodney, Fadi, Ray, Raquel, Kenneth, and Ricky. Ricky Sampson. Some good names there. Clearly, we're worldwide because we got Raj, we got Donut Jack. Is that Onut Jack or Donut Jack? I don't know. Might have been. He might have meant to put donut. What's this name? Stochia, Ponta, Ingrid. Yeah, these are some fucking. We getting people in some random ass places in the world. It'd be fun if they all lived in Miami.
Yeah.
Like, no, I live in Miami. Like, oh fuck, never mind. If you be people in Miami, some weird names too. All right, what are we thinking, chat? We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. Where are we going?
Stuck
Nowhere.
in a range.
Any more trades? It's 11 o'clock now. 11 o'clock, 10:50. We had the 10:50 pump. Look at that. You know what's funny too is look. We kind of forgot about that.
Yeah, I forgot about. I know.
We forgot about the time.
Literally, I wrote in my notes.
We forgot about the time.
I wrote in my notes right here.
We were putting that short on at the what 9.
Don't forget about 10:50. Don't forget about 11.
What time did we got short at? What like 9:40? 10:46.
10:44. Yeah, I doubled down like 10:44.
Crazy. All right. I mean, I feel like it's gonna sell down here. The NASDAQ, ES is like bear flagging. NASDAQ's like bear flagging. Tricky. Either way.
Yeah, kind of right in the middle. I wouldn't. Kind of don't want to touch nothing. I want to see it.
Don't want to touch nothing. He said.
Yeah. Needs to break either the 44s with some veracity.
Ooh, veracity.
Or I want to see it break.
Big word over here. Big guy. Big word guy.
Big words, baby.
Big word man. Let's go. Jose Acosta. Jose.
I feel like I've heard his name before.
Yeah,
Jose. You've heard of Jose before, huh?
He might have won before.
I know an Acosta.
No, he said he's up $600 on the day.
Oh.
Let's go, Jose.
Because he did win. He won that course. Now he's up $600.
Yeah, he won the course, and now he's up. Big.
Nice.
Oh, we need some music. That's why it's so quiet right now.
We need some money is what we need, Greg. Need some money. You need to give me some money, Greg. How much money you got?
Some shmonies.
Give me some money.
Dude, I got a lot of money. I just haven't used it yet.
Greg rich.
Rich. Just waiting in that
now
account.
the chat's gonna be
ready
like,
to get
wait,
released.
you picked a rich guy too?
You picked a rich guy?
God, white privilege.
Shit.
You picked a white rich guy to come learn how to trade at the BDH.
Oops.
I had some guy the other day. He's like, he commented like, "This motherfucker drives a Tesla." He's like, "I'm broke. I need to learn how to trade." And this motherfucker's already got a Tesla. Like, why the fuck would you pick him, Patrick? I'm like, I didn't know he had a Tesla. How the fuck am I gonna know that? For now, hey Ginger, next time you pick a mentorship, don't let them have nice cars.
Yeah. Or Google search their address
if they
first.
ride the bus, they go top of the line on the mentorship.
Google address their or Zillow their address, then you'll know.
I don't know, chat. I think. What do you guys think, chat? Should we do this again? Like, not with these two people, but for more people in the future. I don't want everyone to be like, no, fuck these guys.
It might be like Jersey Shore, where you got to bring the original cast every single season now, man.
No,
where your cast?
You are not original cast, sir. I'm the original cast.
We're your original crew now. Look at that. That 35,000. You're welcome.
All right, I'm doing the poll. Let's see.
I'd vote
This
yes.
music is fucking hard right now.
Yeah, because everybody's excited.
NASDAQ
Like,
making not new lows yet, but moving down there towards the lows right now. We got a poll in the chat to see, should we do this mentorship again? Is this been successful? Wow. 92% said yes.
Nice.
Fuck.
I liked
yeah.
it.
You know what I
People are
forget a
loving it.
lot about with the chat? It's funny because people have told me this. They message me on Instagram or whatever. They're like, Patrick, you know, I'm in your chat every day. I love it. You're the best, right? And they're like, but I never comment.
Yeah,
Right? Like, there's a lot
I
of people that watch the live
never
stream that are
comment,
very
yeah.
happy with
I
what
never
we
comment,
do here.
yeah.
They're learning. They love some PW, but they don't comment it, right? Like they're just like they're trading. They're happy.
Yeah.
They're happy people. They watch for entertainment. They're enjoying it.
That's me. I don't
So
comment
it's
too
like
often.
it's like when you go to a restaurant, you look at the reviews, and it's like all you see is like bad reviews because it's like everybody.
The
who had
happy people, yeah, happy
they're all
people
pissed
don't-
off, and they're gonna like leave some
Yeah.
shitty comment.
Happy
But the
people
guy
don't
that
leave
goes to a
reviews.
fucking Mexican restaurant and has has some tacos and some chips and a beer, and he's having a
Great
good time.
time.
Like, he ain't gonna go
Yeah,
and
he's not
comment
going on
on
Yelp.
Yelp and be like, "Fuck this place. The beer was cold. The chips were fucking hot." You know, there's the new lows on the
Yeah,
NASDAQ.
we just broke the low.
Fuck. Down there, the 930s now. Like I said, that ES kind of has that low down there at the 68. So the NASDAQ drifting down here as well. I should have got, I fucking, dude, did we? Oh,
We talked
I
about
should
it.
have got short on the NASDAQ. I should have got TQQ, SQQ.
SQs, the
I closed
SQs.
out TQQ yesterday, but I could have, this morning when I was on my morning walk thinking about how to take over the world, I was like, man, should I go all in, dick deep? Should
That's
I go
it.
dick deep on some SQQ? Let's see, what's SQQ at right now?
UNH just
I
went
ended
up
up
too.
locking in 3% on the TQQ trade. I mean, for me, like, that's a pretty good trade.
That's a good trade.
For an overnight hold, 3% on like 140 grand.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Yeah, it's a good. I mean,
Yeah,
I locked in
I
4
would've
grand
yeah, I
on,
would've took that.
on an overnight hold.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of fucking investment firms that are happy to make 3% for the whole year.
Yeah.
You know, I'm over here getting it overnight.
One night.
Yeah,
Getting
so
overnight.
TQQ right now, it's up. It's not really up too much. Or SQQ. SQQ was in the red, but that would have been probably what, from here to there? About a 1.5% move. But again, it's just like, how do you know? How do you know it's the bottom or the top? You never know. I don't know, guys. I think today is just an all-day short.
It's just an all-day short. I mean, I'm kind of waiting. If it pops back up to like 947, that might be a good
It's just an
spot.
all-day short, everybody.
That'd be a
All-day
good
short,
what?
all day.
Good spot for a short, maybe.
The what?
947, 948. That might be a good spot.
No little re-add. I mean, don't talk about it. Be about it.
Be about
Be
it,
about
boy.
it.
Where it's happening. It's pushing back up. You know, you've been.
What are you gonna do?
Hey,
What are you gonna do?
you know, you've been doing pretty good. So you know, do you play? You know, when you're hot, you keep.
When you're
that-
hot, you keep stay at the table.
Look at that. You would if you'd have taken short at the 45s, you'd be up 15
Dude.
points right now, dog.
Yeah.
So you talked about it. Damn it, Greg.
Gotta live it.
Don't talk about it. Be,
Be
about
about
it.
it.
Be about it.
Don't talk about it. Be about it.
So the ES has a lot of room down there.
Yeah, the ES still has what? 8 points to the downside, kind of.
Okay. Would you say 68?
Yeah, yesterday's close. All right, so the mentorship says 91% of the chat wants the mentorship to happen again with someone else. So
They didn't
go.
say it was somebody
Hey,
else.
I'd watch.
shit.
I heard it was all about us.
I would
No,
watch.
definitely not. All right, well, we'll do another mentorship maybe next month. Maybe we'll do one a month. I think maybe just a week long. A week long mentorship
Yeah.
I think is probably the sweet spot. Because you guys are kind of annoying me now. I'm a little annoyed, but I kind of like you still, but I'm a little annoyed.
Yeah.
No offense. It's just hard to trade and talk to you fuckers.
The entire time, especially when you're giggling.
Yeah, like I missed a few trades today because I was over here holding Greg's hand.
I got short from 953. I'm
Nice,
still
dude.
in. So where's
Still
that?
in.
Where's that Molly chick?
Hey,
Oh
where you
shit!
at,
Oh shit!
Molly?
No, Mandy. That's
Mandy.
your ex. Don't call your ex by
Who the
the
hell's
wrong
Mandy,
name.
huh?
You know who
He
she
did, he
is.
did it on purpose.
You know your ex's name, Mandy.
Is her name Melissa or was it Melanie?
You think my exes watch this? Probably not.
Looking for that alimony. They're like, how much did he make today? And then call the judge. Well,
No, I've
actually,
never been
Patrick
married,
made.
sir.
Oh no.
Never been married.
Yeah.
Never been married. I've had babies, but never been married.
Yipes.
I paid child support, but luckily that's not the same as alimony.
Yeah.
All right, NASDAQ just making new lows. We got Alex short right now. You're short from the 55s, 57?
953. I'm about to take TP.
953. He's
Dang.
up 30 points. There's that overnight low now coming up here at the 20s.
I'm out.
You're out?
I'm out.
Perfect. Now I'm going to get short. It's going to go straight down. Just kidding. Oh, man. Look at that fucking I need a newsroom like that. I looked into doing like all those like crazy, no, not the fuck, this,
Oh.
the Bloomberg one.
Yeah.
Like I looked into like doing all the crazy screens and stuff, you know, so expensive.
Get all the projectors and everything.
No,
Yeah.
and they're not projectors. They're fucking LED screens. Like the ones that you see like at the concerts and
Yeah.
stuff. They like put them together like little blocks. They're like 12
shit.
by 12
Yeah, I know
blocks.
what you're saying. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
they all
yeah,
clip
yeah.
together.
Yeah.
And that's how they're running all that. But they're expensive as fuck.
Yeah.
I think it was like $100,000 to like do one big screen.
I gotta imagine that throws out a lot of heat too.
That's
You
what
have
I was
to
thinking,
have
too.
Crazy fans and stuff.
But I'm trying to do kind of the same. I got the thing going on here behind me now. So I got
Yeah.
like the screens behind me.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm in the newsroom.
Looks good.
Just gotta figure out how to like put some better stuff on there. Bro!
I know. All day shorts.
Bro!
All day shorts.
The algorithm. Oh my god. The algorithm called out a short at the fucking at the bull flag earlier that I was getting long on the fake bull flag. There's it down there, the 914s now. Is there a dip coming? We took out the overnight lows. Where do we got next? Maybe 900s flat next?
Yeah, this is where it gets tough for me because it's just sinking. Where's the entry point now?
Oh my god.
Are they still going?
What?
Yeah, Mandy wants me.
Mandy.
Mandy, I got an account. I mean, I got a payout on Friday. What'd you do?
Ooh.
Damn it. I got long down here. I only got filled one contract. That sucks. I'll take it right there at the 28s.
It's like Happy Gilmore. Mandy's actually on my side. I've been paying her. You know, be like, yeah, jackass. Nice trade, you jackass. You know?
Jackass.
On Friday, I'm going to pay, you know, like 200 people just flood the chat. Like, hey, Alex, nice trade, jackass.
That's a good idea, actually. You pay them $1,000 to get him off, go on tilt, and then you just focus.
You gonna do
This
that
could be a
Friday?
play.
I make one trade. Yeah.
You tell your wife to go on the chat and just be like, hey, just make fun of Alex.
Stir him up. I heard
Make fun.
Alex got small feet.
All right, so
Just do
on the
weird-
day right
just
now, we're
weird things, you know?
$6,445 in my personal funded live money account. We did blow up some evals to be transparent. Went full retard on that setup here. I don't know. Yeah, that was. Let's just say that wasn't my norm. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna have an excuse here, but yeah, no, that was bad. It was just a very difficult spot this morning. And I know everybody was like, what about that pivot point? I guess, you know, I've never really experienced pivot points at all-time highs.
Being the pivot.
So I was like, in my head, I'm thinking to myself, like, fuck that pivot point. Who cares about that pivot point?
Yeah, he's going to blast through.
But guess what? I'm going to care about that pivot point in the future.
It's a strong-ass pivot
I'm
point.
gonna be like, look at that pivot point. See, we learned a lesson
Yeah,
today.
that pivot point was
Just
P90
like the other
Jackson.
day, we learned to not short into the VWAP.
Yeah.
Right? Now we learned today that the pivot points do matter.
Yep.
We do believe in the pivot points. Look at that pivot point. Just absolutely beautiful pivot point there. Beautiful pivot point.
Held up nice. Real nice.
Yeah, because I mean, realistically, normally I got like a terrible I got long on a terrible entry there, but I would normally have gotten long there at like the 46s, and then I probably would have taken the profit into that pivot point, to be honest. But I just went full retard and decided that I was gonna.
For the boys. Did it
I
for
don't
the
even know
boys.
how I got filled. Yeah, terrible. Greg had me all excited. It's all Greg's fault. Whenever
That's what
I
I
lose,
heard.
it's Greg's fault. When
That's
I
what I
win, it's only my.
Like 3 weeks
Only
from
my
now.
fault.
3 weeks from now. Damn it, Greg.
Oh, for
Piece
sure.
of shit.
100%. You don't even know. I'm going to be here for the rest of my life yelling out, Greg!
Yeah, man.
Gregory!
God damn.
Fucking Greg!
Oh, Greg. That's funny.
Trump speaks in 2 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Last time he didn't really do much for the market. It kind of went down a little bit while he was speaking.
Someone said everyone knows not to go full retard. Well, you know, that's easier said than done. Easier said than done, huh? You would think that this would be kind of an area to bounce just based off of kind of the structure here, but
Well, like you said, people love that round number.
We take out that 900 level. Maybe that's the kind of trap, or maybe that was the trap right here. Kind of watching like these little 1 minute candles for like a good trappy looking candle. We've been below this EMA since the 960s. So even if you're bearish, it's like you can't really get short until we build out a bit of a bear flag, like back up. So if you believe that the bear flag kind of will build out, then there might be like a little long to kind of push back up to test some resistance. But the problem is you just don't know if that's the low there. I would be more excited if we got like down into the 890s. Like had like a stupid, you know, had like a stupid like straight down candle drop.
What's down there though? Like what makes you want to
Well, if you
go that low?
Look over to the left.
Look over to the left. There's like some
812.
90 area, but it's also just the whole numbers. Like that
812,
20 points
130.
below that whole number. But who knows? Like there's that dip. Kind of want to see if we could like if that wick goes all the way down to the 80s. I think there's a long there. Just simply off the idea of the ES also trying to fill that gap. So the ES could pull back and fill that gap, and then maybe that's when
little reversion,
a little bit of a bounce.
Bounce more.
But that's kind of a, you know,
risky biscuit.
Risky biscuit trying to pick the bottom.
Yep.
CO Cruz won the course today. Let's go. I love seeing people in the actual chat winning the giveaways. Always great to see, you know, real people getting the winnings, not just some random NPC bot. She's a dipping right down there into the 90s now. ES is dipping. If that ES gets down there to the 68s, Manny needs a course. I'll let Alex sponsor her. Alex can go to her house and put a poo-poo platter on a doorstep. You ever done that before? I've
Put a
never done
poo-poo platter on somebody's doorstep?
Not a
No.
poo-poo platter.
Like a bag of
you
shit?
You poop in a bag.
You light it on fire?
And then you light it on fire, put it on someone's fucking doorstep, ring the
crazy.
doorbell. They walk out, start stomping on it, poop all over the place.
Shit.
When we were kids, we would do poop dollars.
Oh yeah.
Take like $1 and put poop on it, and then like leave it on the floor
Leave
of
it
the mall or
somewhere.
something. Dude, it's fucking the funniest shit.
Or you put the dollar
Like,
on the fishing
keyword
pole.
funny shit. But it's hilarious because
Funny
people
shit.
will like when they pick up the dollar and they figure out that there's fucking shit on it, they're like, what the fuck? They look around, they're like, who the fuck did this?
Ah, it's poop.
They're like, gotcha, bitch. I had this one time, this fucking big, like, roided out guy chased after me. Like, I'm a little, like, 16-year-old kid, and he's, like, running after me in the mall. Like, I'll kill you. And I was like, no, you won't.
No, you won't. See you, buddy.
Jumped on my fucking scooter. I was gone. Dude, back when the Razor scooters came out, when I was, like, 15, 14.
Dude, we love
I used to
those.
get crazy on those.
Yeah.
Like, I'd get crazy on those scooters.
We go
those
to
little
New
ramps.
Not really ramp. We just, like, we got crazy because we were just, like, we were like little demons.
Yeah, we'd go to New York City and we'd riff around all the city
yeah,
and
it'd be
stuff
fun
like
as
that.
fuck.
Yeah, dude, it had
I
all
never
like
see- I live in
the
the country,
concrete
so
that
we,
went
like,
up.
My dad would have to, like, take me to the fucking, like, local strip mall.
Oh yeah.
Drop me off.
Yeah. Ripping
know,
the strip
like,
mall.
With your scooter, go
My
have fun.
scooter. So I could, like, cruise around with
Yeah,
my
dude.
boys.
Meet your friends at the
Did you
clock
guys do that
tower or
when you were,
something.
like, in like middle school, high school? Did you, like, go to the movies?
Yeah,
like,
you
all
hang
the
out
other
at the
kids?
mall.
yeah,
Yeah.
fucking of course, right?
We had like
yeah.
it got to the point where like the movie theater like banned you from like hanging out. They like put up ropes and shit. Like, nah, you can't stand here.
Yeah.
Because all the little like hoodlums would just like go there and like
Yeah.
groups of kids
Yeah.
hanging out at the mall every night.
There's a brand new
And
dining.
look at that little bounce ripping back up here now. Let's go from the 90s back up there into the 900s.
So now we're on to break like 919 or something.
919 or something.
Or 930 break.
Alex is a great fade. I've tracked the moment that he talks, and every time he talks, it's always wrong.
That's
Oh,
funny.
that's comedy.
That's what they were saying about me too.
She
Inverse
loves me, man.
indicator.
Dude, I can't believe your ex-girlfriend is hanging out
I
here
can't
with
believe
us.
it.
That's funny.
We broke up so long ago.
Dude, you didn't give her that dick, bro.
Ginger in the background. Trend is the friend, Greg. Quit looking for longs.
Oh my God.
Right?
Someone said trend's a friend. No, fuck the friend.
Fuck the friend.
Look where we just bounced off of. Is anybody impressed?
Are you not entertained?
But y'all get what you get what I'm like
Yeah.
saying there, right? Like at a certain point, even if this shit's bearish as fuck, at a certain point, it's gonna have to like turn back up and build out a bear flag before we're going lower again. And I guess Trump's talking too, so maybe it's been perfect timing.
Is he?
I don't see him talking anywhere, but none of the TV show. I love these motherfuckers though. Like, who is this guy? Who is this guy?
What is his
Look
credentials?
at this guy, just up on the screen, just like, yeah, look at this chart.
This caterpillar here.
Look at this. I drew a line on the chart. Technical analysis. I really am amazed when I see the people on like actual trading or not like on like stock market TV shows. It's like,
What's your
what does this
credentials?
guy really know?
Yeah, what are your
You know, like, what does
credentials?
this guy know?
Uh-huh.
It's even like when you look at like Jim Cramer, all those guys, like you're talking about someone to fucking fade. It's always the Jim Cramer fade.
Yeah.
Like, hey, how many times has he said it was like the fucking
Oh, yeah,
the
the
top
second.
of Bitcoin,
And
the
then it
bottom,
blows up
you
the
know,
next
like,
day. Uh-huh.
It's like if you're a company, you're afraid. If Jim Cramer like says, hey, this company's a buy, you're like, fuck,
Uh-huh.
we're done. It's over. We're going
cooked.
out of business. We are going out of business. Like, there are so many times through history where he has just absolutely fucking been wrong.
Same
so many
thing
times.
with who's the I can't believe I'm blanking on her name, but the one that owns ARK funds.
Oh, Kathy Woods.
Yeah, Kathy Woods. Same thing. The second she buys something.
Well, I mean, it's also just like her thing is hilarious too, because like she thinks she's a genius, but it's just like, what's she really buying? She's just buying like top
Yeah,
tech
just all the
stocks.
blue. Yeah.
Like pretty much, if you want to be Kathy Woods, just buy QQQ,
Uh-huh.
and you're Kathy Woods now.
Yeah.
You know, like yeah, we really think Meta has a great potential. Nvidia's got great potential. Like, well, yeah, no,
Sounds good.
everybody and their mom does.
Yeah, sounds good.
Like, you're not a genius. You know,
heard about
you're not
that.
a genius for calling out the obvious. Wow.
Wowzers.
Sometimes I impress myself.
Where are we looking for longs here?
I took a little long off the 92s down there.
Damn.
Already locked it in. I didn't know we'd rip up 100 points here. Fucking A. Look at this thing. Just ripping.
Woo.
Oh my God.
You were very confident about that
I mean,
that level there.
Because look at the bigger time frames too. It makes sense. At a certain point, we got to bounce. Right? Like, obviously, it doesn't always work out perfectly, but like, at some point, we're going to bounce. Look at that hourly candle. That hourly candle took out so many fucking lows. Wow. I'm like sad right now. I'm like sad to see my longs.
Wait, where'd you get out?
Just right back above 900s. But we're green, okay?
What green?
I had to get above 6,000,
Yeah,
but
you
now
had
I
to-
got above 7,000.
There you go.
Fuck. We're up 7,000 on the day here. Oh, look at her, still going. What a time to be alive. All right, Gregory, tell us how you feeling today? What are you doing over there? How you looking?
Feeling
You
good.
had a really good. Tell us, how'd you feel about that short? Was there anything that you think you took away from that short earlier?
Phenomenal short. Really excited about it.
But you understand like my whole thesis on like putting those targets lower, right?
Yeah.
Like, not just looking for
Yeah,
a
100%.
pullback to
Just
the
what-
previous fucking low. But
Yeah,
like,
we talked about the other day. Like, go back to the 5-minute chart, zoom out, look left, and then see what's makes the most sense of where it would probably go and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And then look at that. I mean, if I had held, obviously it broke through my end all be all price target was like 40s, and it broke through there again with veracity.
got all the way down there to the
Veracity.
900s.
Yeah, man. So we could have held that. We could have held that a lot longer.
I mean, it's also just like I said, where you got stopped out was just like a stupid stop.
Yeah, it was
Right,
like
that's all it was.
3 points, 3
It
points.
was
And
just
then,
like The funny part is
It
if
would
you
have been a
look,
phenomenal one.
like pull up you look at it here, but you got stopped at 70s.
Yeah.
These like previous candles, same thing. Even after they dropped and then pumped back up, stuck there below the 70s.
Right to the
So,
70s. Yeah.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. If you would have kept your stop at break even,
Yeah.
maybe you'd have been all. I don't know. It's hard. It's always the coulda, shoulda, woulda.
So I guess now what I'm looking at is if we can break the 70s, come back and retest it, then that would be probably the place for the long.
Got the VWAP up there, the 984s.
Well, that's probably hard too. Then you can't really go long into VWAP, can you?
Well,
Hugo said he wants to get short so bad.
who?
Hugo in the chat. Hugo F. I want to short so hard, but just gonna get wrecked.
I want to show it so bad.
I'd like a little pullback to go long.
It's building out like a little bull flag right now.
Yeah.
That was a pretty big, pretty big squeeze back up there now.
Man, the only thing that would stink though, so if you go long at like 930s or something like that when it bounces off the EMAs, your stop would have to be like 895 or something, and that would be a long.
895? No.
No, you wouldn't. Where would you
mean-
put it at? Would you put it at like 907?
I wouldn't get long until we basically like get back above the VWAP.
Yeah.
I mean, other
Above
than
the
trying to
VWAP.
buy the bottom. What?
Above the VWAP.
Well, I mean, I don't know. Or at least, I don't know, fucking, it's just hard to all of a sudden, like after one little push, now we're just, everybody's fucking all excited
Try
for
to
the market
switch
to
to
push
longs,
back up. You know, like
longies.
everybody was so bearish. And now all of a sudden everyone's fucking ready to get long, and just hard to like mentally just change it up and just simply be ready. Like now, now it's a long. Perfect time for a long now. We're back above yesterday's close. Tommy Yorkin's up $7,000 a day.
Man, he is trying to get into it.
Nice, Tommy.
Yeah.
Big day. Big day.
Alex, make a trade live on NQ for 10 points, and I'll leave you and your wife alone. Damn, who's your wife, dog?
I
My
couldn't
wife?
read it.
Damn, I knew Manny's coming in hot.
I
with the-
thought she
gotta-
said if you did it, she'd be in the room with you and your wife. And I was like, oh shit, man, he is trying to sneak in there a little bit. I was like, all
Oh,
right.
Manny's trying to get in,
All right.
trying to get some of that Alex.
That's that Honey Wives things I was telling you about, man. I'm telling you.
Hunting Wives,
That's their show.
new show.
Too funny.
I think Molly's some like 55-year-old dude.
Probably shirtless right now,
Nah,
with just
not
a belly,
55, maybe like,
a belly going
maybe
over
like
the.
57, you know? That 60, 61,
Getting that sweet
69.
spot.
Just sit in front of his computer
that.
shirtless
Manny
like
is
this,
definitely
rubbing his belly.
a dude, that's for sure. I think it's just like a upset dude that they're not here at the mentorship, and Alex is. Like,
Yeah.
fuck that Alex guy. I'm so much better than Alex.
He doesn't even smile enough. Jeez.
All right, NASDAQ back here into these VWAP, not VWAP, but back into the EMAs. We're right there at yesterday's close, that 940 level. We had Trump talking a little bit. Market kind of pumped up there. But is that enough to get the party started? The ES, a little bit more of a push back up. Got the VWAP on the ES. You got the 15-minute close and all that. So right now, like I said, it's just hard to get long there, you know? Because it's still, overall, the trend is still very bearish.
Just riding the waves, Pat.
All you can do, man, just ride the waves.
Ride the waves.
Ride the waves. Just ride the waves. ES, NASDAQ dumping back down here again.
Dump.
Trying to look at like the bigger time frames. This 5-minute chart just kind of gave that whole move back up, looking a little bit bearish again. See what happens here. Kind of like if the bulls really want to show strength here, they got to like just kind of squeeze straight back up through that little high there from earlier, that 950 level. If
950s.
not,
Yeah.
the bears are gonna hammer it again. Because you got to think like it's like you need price that you need like a movement to also like kind of create short covering as well.
Yeah.
So it's like, what's going to get the bears in trouble? You know, the bears are going to be in trouble if it gets back above 950s. But right now they're like, fuck this. I want to short this because it's a lower high. I like that we're stuck down here.
I could see it waking up to like the 65s or something just to confuse everybody, and then keep pulling back
them,
down.
But just to kind of create that liquidity.
Yeah.
The liquidity, man.
You guys are still bearish. Where do you think it would go
Yeah,
next?
I'm still bearish. I would be happy if it goes up to 964, then sinks back down to 890s.
You're gonna take a short from there?
I'd probably, if it gets up to like the 960s, I might. Because again, I think it would just be an easy stop. You'd do an easy stop at like 974 or something like that. So the risk to reward is pretty good, and you're still in the direction of the trend.
Yeah. PPI tomorrow. If we get back below 900s here, like where we go, I mean, you got pivot point down there, 828s, possibly. 5-minute chart just kind of building out that bear flag right now. Gotta see what they do with the 900s. I think at this point you got to get, like, if you're looking for a short, you kind of want it back below 900s. But then it's like you're shorting right into the low of day.
Right, and into it. Yeah, then you got a quick 10-pointer.
This is like that area where they kind of love to bounce around, you know.
Yeah, I don't think I would take anything short. Because I don't know where would it go, you know?
Man, it's a
You're pretty far away from
good
the
way to
VWAP.
look at it. If you don't know where it might go, then it might not be a good trade. Little ES, little NASDAQ pump or push.
Man, an hour ago I was calling 860s. Watch it actually does. Maybe that's the flush today. We flushed at 860s.
You saying we did flush at 860s?
I'm saying we could flush all the way down to there.
860. Damn.
Again, just zooming out and looking left. That seems to be the next like kind of support zone if we break 890.
Looking like trouble there below yesterday's close, kind of just holding up there for now. Like I said, those bulls really want to show strength there. If they're going to take that higher, they got to do it now. The longer that they sit there for the bears, like, see, now they're putting in that higher, kind of a higher low here, but you want that, like, the bulls want to get this back above 950 really quickly. Because again, it's like the shorts, they're
hungry.
loving it.
They're
They're
chomping.
like, they're getting excited.
Chomping at the bit a little.
So they need to squeeze. But I like the fact for the bulls that they put in a higher low here, 920. Look at that little pump back up here now. And see, like, literally, look at that pump back up there. I mean, that's just fucking, at that point, you got people jumping in there because they're putting in a higher low. Like, there's people that just trade basically, like, based on, you know, like, okay,
Previous
the
candles.
one way of trading this would be, okay, if I get long here, right? If I get long at the 930s, I can put my stop at the bottom of those candles.
Yeah.
And if this is the
rocket
higher
ship.
low, maybe this goes all the way back to 24,000s.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still do like longs here.
Then put on a long. Don't be afraid of Mandy.
Not yet.
Don't be
Don't you be afraid of Mandy.
Don't you be afraid of Mandy.
She ain't got no teeth.
Yeah, I mean, if it double tops, obviously it's not good for the bulls, but
I'm gonna wait for a break of this.
take out that 950s. Next resistance, 970s there next. VWAP, they're at the 983s.
Got the yellow arrow on there. Just gonna have to follow it now.
I saw Hulu and Disney are combining.
Hulu.
I also saw UFC and Paramount. Paramount, I think, paid like $7 billion
For UFC rights?
for UFC air TV rights. So
Oh,
you'll in the future, the only way you're gonna be able to watch UFC is on Paramount.
Yeah,
$6 billion.
that's big.
6 billion is what I
That's
saw.
crazy. I
Wow.
didn't see it.
Oh.
I wonder if it'll still be a
I thought
paid.
it sounded like
That
well,
was a
Paramount UFC deal.
I wonder if it's still a
Yeah,
paid thing then.
7.7 billion for
Yeah.
a 7-year deal.
Fuck, dude.
That's crazy.
Especially when you look at the
Dana White said
original.
there's going to be a UFC fight at the White House.
I can see that because Trump's all about it. I can
Fuck
see
yeah,
that.
that'd be so
He's all
epic.
about it, man.
The rest of the world, like, what the fuck is going on in America?
Yeah, man. Do you ever see the original UFC videos?
Oh yeah, yeah
Like
yeah.
when it was
Oh,
like
yeah.
like you know like a Thai guy versus a sumo wrestler. And, like you had
Yeah.
to fight like 7 different people that
They had
day.
a lot of different. They had like there's like 3 or 4 different fighting
Yeah.
shows back in the day. There's also like the one I think one was pretty old school. I actually met Chuck Liddell one time. I was
Oh
at a
shit!
party.
Yeah,
At a party in New York City.
yeah.
It was so funny. I walked into this party. I don't know how we got into it, but we always get into these crazy parties somehow. And it was like at a brownstone, big like townhouse in New York.
Yeah.
We walk up, we're with this girl, and the girl's like, "Oh, I know the owner of the house." And I'm like, "How do you know?" Like whatever.
Yeah.
So she goes up and she's like, "Listen, I'm gonna put your number as." The owner of the house. I'll put your number in, and then I'll go up to the bouncer, and then you text me, be like, "Hey, just tell the bouncer to let you in."
That's
So it works.
So funny.
So she goes up to the bouncer. She goes, "Look,
Yeah.
so and so. It has his name and says, look, he said just come up."
Yeah.
And the bouncer's like, "All right, you're good." So
Dang.
we go up, we get in there. There's fucking
That's amazing.
Alesso's there, fucking Steve Crawl's there, the comedian.
Yeah.
Everyone just doing coke. There's
Yeah.
fucking Victoria's Secret
yeah.
models, and then Chuck Liddell is there. Fucking Chuck Liddell, and everybody's drunk, and everyone's like going up to Chuck.
Yeah.
Choke me out, Chuck. Choke me out.
the fuck?
And like literally,
Yeah.
Chuck's
Let me
like,
give you a punch.
choking random fucking people out of this
Jesus,
party.
man.
And ended up my friend at the time, he got into an argument with some guy because the guy was like touching his girlfriend's scarf or some shit. I don't even fucking know.
Yeah, of course, right.
And it got into a whole thing, and then they got thrown out, and I was just there by myself, and my friends text me like, "We're going home," and I'm like, I mean, maybe you're going
Yeah,
home.
enjoy the ride home.
Yeah, have fun with that.
Like,
And he
I'm
was
staying
like-
here.
He was getting all butthurt and like
You're
fucking
getting-
text me. He goes, if you don't come home with me, I swear to God. I'm like, God damn it. So
We're
then
not gonna be friends no more.
Yeah. Then I had to
The
leave.
fuck?
I was so pissed. I could have taken my life to another level that night.
Different trajectory.
Could have been a whole other level.
Dang,
Could have met a
man.
Victoria's Secret model. Been living on a fucking private yacht. Me and Chuck Liddell could be best friends.
Best friends, besties.
Nope. Chuck had 2 hot blondes with him that night too. I remember that. And everybody was doing some fun stuff.
Everybody was doing some fun stuff that night.
Dude, Mandy, where did Mandy come from?
Is she
Are
still-
you reading the chat?
Is she still going hard?
Haha, Alex, how's your long? I told you he's a fade. Just do the opposite of what he's.
He's a Griag fade.
Oh,
I'm not in long.
Alex, how's a hater?
Thanks for asking.
Hey, you know what they say? If you got 20 haters, you better figure out how to get 20 more. I've
Yo.
lived my whole life based on that. I'm like, hey,
Hi, haters.
fuck them. They ain't, if you're not doing something cool, like if you're not doing something like worth hating on, then ain't nobody gonna be hating on you.
Yeah,
you
you're
know,
not.
like
You gotta do more.
that's just the truth.
Get a little hate in there.
If you're like a fucking loser and nobody's talking about you, like yeah, people are like yeah, but no one hates on me. It's like yeah, because you're a fucking loser.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like there's no matter what, there's always gonna be haters. You can be
Yeah.
the best person in the entire fucking world, the fastest. Well, you could be the best, whatever it is. Like you can be the best there ever was. Be Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan's got fucking haters out the yin yang.
Right.
People love to talk shit about Michael Jordan. You think he gives a fuck?
Not at all.
You know what I mean? Like he's got billions and billions of dollars. You think he's sitting there going, man, these fucking haters said that I wasn't the best basketball player ever to live. You know, like what the fuck?
Yeah. On his Viking yacht.
All right, we got stuck here at the 950s. What do we got? We got a little bit of a looking bear flaggy looking thing here on the 5-minute chart, but it's also kind of looking a little wedgy. I don't like this like top here on those candles. I don't like how they're like. I would like to see them kind of like going up, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like I'd rather like if I'm looking at the bear flag, like I want that slope. Like I want the slope of those like candles to be like going like up.
Right.
It's like hard to
Get a
show it,
textbook.
but like
Get a textbook.
the
one
fact that it's
instead.
getting very tight here, so it's kind of creating a wedge. So either we're gonna fucking break to the upside or break to the downside here.
Pop out like
Either
a
one.
watermelon seed.
Trump's gonna give himself his own award for NASA. Kennedy Space Center. Yeah, I just got my award here.
Yeah, I decided I'm the best one for the job.
I decided that I
announce
can
me.
be an astronaut if I
Yeah.
want. I'm an honorary astronaut.
Yeah.
I would do that.
Just give yourself every title you can.
Just make yourself an honorary astronaut.
And a for life, get out of jail free card.
Oh, he's got that already. President Trump announces the Kennedy Center nominees.
I liked when he go to the rallies and have people tug on his hair. Is it real? Here, you can tug on it.
Dude.
Yeah, I saw those ones.
I mean, it's like it can't like it's got to be. I don't even know what it is, but it doesn't look like actual hair.
Yeah, it's got to be some. I mean,
Like there's something going on.
there's
with
some
that hair.
money.
I don't
There's
get
some
it.
money in that hair somewhere.
Like it's like a Brillo pad. Like it looks like it's just like, you know what I mean? Like
Oh, it does.
look at it. It's not moving. It just sits there. I wonder what he would look like if he was bald. Just bald Trump.
Oh, I'm just so sad that we're not going to see another Trump debate or anything like that. You know, like that was just comedy
Hey,
gold,
you never know.
man.
You never
You
know.
never know.
You never
Third
know.
term.
You never know.
Could you
He can run
imagine?
for vice president.
Double down.
Run for the vice president.
I was saying what he's going to do is kind of like the mayor of Mooseport movie. He's going to come back to Florida, and then he's going to be the governor of Florida. That's going to be his
Mandy.
trajectory.
It's going back up. I guess Alex is right. It's up 10 points, Mandy. All right, just get long, Alex, and get 10 points here, and then Mandy can shut the fuck up. She said you can't call it a 10-point trade,
Yeah,
so
this
you
is-
call it out.
Call it.
Come on.
This is exactly where I'm getting long, Mandy.
Fade Mandy. Are you long?
I am.
All right, come on. We got to beat Mandy here.
You got to beat Mandy.
Come on, Mandy.
I mean, if it breaks 951, it should have a nice little pop.
I mean, see, like that's that little wedge pattern I was talking about. Now it's breaking out to the upside here through this 40 area. I mean, there's 70s up there next.
Poking its little head.
Mandy's short, Alex is long. Who's going to win?
Triple top or blast off? We'll see.
Ooh. Ooh, nasty NASDAQ. Oh, God, I'm praying for you. We're praying for Alex
too.
here. I want him to win. I just want to see a big boner candle right here, right to Mandy's face. Right to Mandy's male face. Dude, what the fuck is Sylvester Stallone? Why is he there?
Who knows?
Kennedy Center, he's gonna be an astronaut now?
What?
Bro, what the fuck is going on at the Kennedy Center right now?
There you go, Alex.
It's going up, Mandy. I hope you're not short. I hope you're not short, Mandy. Like 5 foot short. My dad said if you're not 6 foot tall and at least 200 pounds, you're not a real man.
You're not a real man.
The funny part is my dad's not even 6 foot tall. I swear to God. I'm like, wait, what?
Whoops.
He told me that my whole life. He's like, yeah, you got to be at least 200 pounds and 6 foot tall to be a real man. I'm like, but sir,
Damn.
you're 5'9".
Mandy, Alex, loser has to shave their beard. It's fucking hilarious.
I mean, already there's like 10 points right there, isn't it? What was your entry?
Yeah, that's 10 right there.
Holy
my
shit.
entry was
Holy
47.
shit, Mandy.
I'm out of
Holy
57.
shit. What happened, Mandy? Oh, now she was long.
Oh, was
She
she?
says she's going to fade you. Remember? She said, oh, literally, let's go back in the chat and read it. She goes, ha, 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 bro is buying resistance. So the fact that she wrote bro, we know it's a dude.
Yeah, it's a dude.
Mandy is definitely a dude. So let's just go through this here.
Manfred.
Oh, poor Mandy. Poor Mandy.
I know, Mandy. You
Poor
might get that VIP treatment
Poor
today,
Mandy.
Mandy.
The dude. Let's for the whole world to see Mandy's post here. She goes, ha ha ha, bro is buying resistance. And then later on,
Resistance.
God.
Oh, now she says,
and
well done.
Mandy was long. So I guess Mandy got long at resistance too. Wow.
She said, no, because she said, how's your long going now? Ha ha ha. Some shit like that.
Well,
I mean, now you just zip it.
Now you just zip it.
just
Mandy.
zip it, Mandy. Zip it, Mandy. Go back to your whatever fucking box you live in and just close the door.
We're super serial.
Close the
now.
door. I'm not letting people make fun of my little Alex, okay? He's my special friend.
Mandy, get your shaver ready.
All right, I'm gonna bring Mandy in on Friday. Alex versus Mandy, head to
You
head.
should.
Mandy, where do you live at? Mandy, where do you live?
Mandy, I've blown a lot of accounts. Yeah, you're right.
Mandy,
Have
where do
you
you
not?
live? I'm bringing you to the BDH on Friday. Head to head. Greg's out.
I'm out. I'm out.
Greg's gonna be the announcer. Mandy, it's only Wednesday. I'll get you on a plane tonight. We'll fly you to Florida.
I would actually love to see that too. That would be pretty funny.
Come on, Mandy. Don't pussy out now.
Bring out the top heckler.
Don't pussy out now, Mandy. Mandy's having her period. Transvestite I saw that on TikTok. You got some of the
Dude.
some of the trannies having their periods.
She's from Vietnam.
Wait, what? You're from Vietnam?
What the fuck?
God damn it! Definitely a transvestite.
Yeah, seriously.
Nah, that's you know what that is 100%. Mandy's a dude who
Yeah.
probably lives somewhere around here. So let me pick the weirdest place possible, Vietnam. Yeah, well, Mandy, you do not talk like a Vietnamese person at all. Like, there's been no broken English in your chat. Send us a picture. Mandy, send a picture with a photo of you holding up your big fat profits from today.
Let's see the
Send it
receipt.
to info@onlyprofirms.com. I want to see what you look like. I wish there was. Well, I got to figure out a way to make it so that I can see people's faces in the chat. God, the funny part is,
it'd be pretty interesting.
like,
That
it
would be
It
great.
would change the game, right?
Yeah.
Like if people actually had to comment and
Oh,
like
yeah.
show their real face, they wouldn't comment the same
Yeah.
way, right? They wouldn't talk as much shit because again, it's like there's no accountability. Like you're in the live stream and you just fucking make a fake account and then you
Yeah.
go in there and go, yeah, fuck you, Alex, you suck. You're fat and you're ugly, nasty. It's like, well, what? What? Why? Like, that's what, like, what?
What is your standard? What are
Like,
we
what?
what are we comparing to?
Like when people talk about me being fat, I'm like, I mean, I might be chubby, but I don't know about being fat.
Listen, real men are
Fat's
at
like-
least
I mean, like-
real men are at least 200 pounds.
I mean, fat, like I know, but like like fat is fat.
Yeah.
Like if you were like 300 pounds,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm 230 right now, so 70 more pounds, I wouldn't be fat. I don't think.
I'm 175. I guess I'm not
You're
there yet.
175.
I didn't make the
Dude,
cut.
my left nut's heavier than you.
I didn't make the cut.
Wait, how much did you say you were?
What?
How much you weigh?
230.
You trying to get down to 210?
Ideally, I'd want to get back like maybe 190, but probably won't happen.
Yeah.
I'm at that. I'm just too old. I used to be skinny.
Too comfortable in life.
You
now.
put out a video the other day of you like skinny.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
yeah,
back
you
in
can see it.
when I lived in Hawaii, I was shredded. Like I was like really shredded. But I was also miserable. Like I didn't eat anything but meat. I didn't like drink. I didn't do anything. I wasn't really having a lot of sex either. It's hard. Living in Hawaii, not a lot of options. Not a lot of women in Hawaii. They're mostly men.
That's weird.
Like 30%. No, it's like 50% of the population is fucking military.
That
So,
makes
like,
sense.
you
Yeah,
know,
that makes sense.
There ain't a lot of military women. And the military women that you meet, they be crazy bitches. I met a few military women and they
They're
be
stronger.
crazy.
Yeah, they're stronger than you.
No, I mean, no,
Crazier
like,
than you.
Yeah.
they be crazy. You'd be like, oh shit, she a crazy bitch. She gonna murder me when I'm sleeping one
That
night.
girl's crazy.
I'm trying to not get murdered in my sleep, you know? That'd be a terrible way to go.
Oh, the John Bobbitt. Remember
What?
that? John Bobbitt?
No,
the dude,
it's
like
Sean Bobbitt.
20 years ago, 30 years ago, his wife found out he was cheating on him. So while he was sleeping, she chopped his wiener and balls
No!
off, ran downstairs, jumped in the car, drove away, and then hucked it out the the window. So the dude actually,
There's no way he's gonna put this back on.
literally,
I'm gonna drive 100 miles away and throw it in the ditch.
the dude owns a limousine company in Buffalo now. It's like a local
No dick?
hero.
With no
Yeah.
no penis.
How does that work?
Oh,
Do you get like a
Nice.
new dick?
Dude, so he got paid $1 million to make a porn. because people were so curious about it. They wanted to see what it was. Yeah, dude.
I'm down.
You can, listen, man. $5 admission.
Patrick wants to
You can
watch.
see that.
Porn. I'm in. Look at this.
We got you get your wiener ripped off first.
Dude, I used to I was straight. Like, look how skinny I was. Oh my God.
Oh no, we're looking at body pictures now.
It's me working out. This is also back. I would go surfing, I'd go foiling. Fucking, I was on it. Dude, I was like 190 there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I had the muscles. I had some serious muscle. Look at my hair even.
Really gnarly.
Dude, I was so straight. Look at this. Oh my God. Daddy. Hey, daddy. Oh, look at my shoulders even. I can get back to that really easily, but then it's just like,
Yeah. I think I'm thinking about it
pretty much
along right
accepted
here.
that Victoria is like the hottest girl that I'm ever going to convince to like date me. You know, like maybe I could convince like, you know, other women to have sex with me, but like I don't think I could convince them to date me.
Yeah.
You know, like Victoria, I convinced her to like date me. So that's like, you know.
By not talking to her for like 5 days.
Well, no, I mean it's like in general. Like at this point, you know, we've been together for almost 2 years, and it's kind of like you know, you know what you get, kind of thing. Like she knows what she's getting herself into.
Right.
You know, like. But damn. Oh my God. Dude, I have like a 6-pack and everything. Oh my God. Victoria's watches right now getting all fucking hot and bothered. All the even Mandy's watching this.
Mandy's
Even the
watching.
dude Mandy's watching this. Yeah, Mandy, look at this. Look at this, dude. Oh, dude, I was shredded. And the funny part was that was literally just all I did was eat meat.
Yeah.
Steak and eggs. I would
Yeah.
eat like fucking 4 steaks a day and then 20 eggs.
Damn, dude.
Just all day,
Yeah.
eggs and steak.
I did like when we were in college, I was doing like 6,000-7,000 calories a day actually.
Well, yeah, because you had to.
Well, Division 1 athlete.
Yeah, well, you're
so,
also
we were
skinny
fucking
as
going
fuck.
nuts.
You like you probably have like a really hard time putting on weight.
Yeah.
Like if you were trying to put on weight, it'd be hard.
Dude, so actually, as soon as I graduated college and stopped working out, I went from like, I was maybe 165, 170 in college. I went up to like 210 or something like
Yeah,
that.
what are you right now?
So I'm like 175 now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even like suits I bought as soon as I graduated and stuff
Fuck,
like that
that's
don't
pretty
fit
big for
anymore.
you.
Like you're like my shoulders were out
How'd
there.
you get back to 170?
I stopped working out. Stopped doing everything. Like I
Oh,
just.
so you were like, you put on weight like
So
working out.
No. So hold on. I quit. Yeah, I guess I said that weird.
Yeah.
Quit college. I stopped working out completely, but I was still eating like shitload of calories. So then that popped me up really, really quick. Then I tried to work out to lose the weight, and that never worked. When I was working out, I was just too hungry. I was eating too much, so I just kept going up. So finally, before my wedding, I stopped working out. I was like, yeah, fuck it. And then I guess my metabolism just caught up, and then I stopped being as hungry, and then I just fucking. It was like 7 months or something like that. I shrunk down.
I mean, you're down
Well, see,
like
the funny part
35
is, like,
pounds.
Yeah.
People love to think that like working out really hard is like how you get skinny, but you don't.
Yeah.
Like actually just like doing very I would say like athletic things is what like just walking.
Yeah.
Right? Like every morning I walk, I try to walk at least like an hour and a half, just fucking walking on. Like I'll just sit on my phone and just look at shit and just walk.
Yeah.
No rhyme or reason where I'm going, but
Get
I
a
just
little
walk.
fresh air and
then by the
stuff.
end of the hour, I'm fucking sweating.
Yeah.
I'm dripping. Like I go to the gym, go on the fucking treadmill, put on incline for an hour. You'll fucking it's a crazy core workout.
I mean,
'Cause
that's
when
all
you're
you
walking
need,
on the
man.
You know, you're walking on the treadmill on the incline. You have to like
Oh,
really
yeah.
fucking
You
keep
get
your
on
core
that
tight.
Stairmaster.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
But yeah, I see fat people at the gym like running on the treadmill. I'm like, bro, just stop. You're not doing anything.
I mean, literally, because those people, they're going to be so hungry at the end of their workout. And then it's that mental game of
Well,
as
just
well.
'cause
You're
you're-
like, oh, I just ran for an hour. I can have a donut.
yeah.
You know?
Well, your body doesn't burn fat when you're running.
Yeah. Well, it does. You just have to get your heart rate above a specific
No,
level.
it doesn't though. It burns carbs.
Yeah.
It's burning fucking sugars.
The stuff that you want.
So that's like you're saying. After you go for a run, you're hungry because your body's like, I need sugar.
Yeah.
I need carbs.
Got to dump stuff
Whereas
into
when
it.
you're just walking, your body is literally just using fat because fat is the hardest thing to like burn.
It's a slow burn.
So it's like I'm not gonna waste carbs. I'm not gonna waste fucking sugar. Because right now I'm just walking.
Yeah.
It's like you gotta think of it as it's like your genetic. Oh my God, NASDAQ.
I don't know. We just had
dumping
a
here.
boner candle.
All right, well, this looks interesting.
And
Little
I'm starting
bear
to
flag
feel-
playing out. Maybe a retest back up there to the 930s could be some sell action there. Got the lows from earlier down there, 892s. We broke that big bear flag there. Huh.
Mandy sent the pic
Sent the pic
to the email.
Fuck.
Oh, jeez, man.
Dude, do I want to see what this looks like? Or
I don't
what
know.
it looks like?
She went to fakeadate.com. But Mandy, it has to be a picture
What
of
was
you.
like the hottest girl in the world?
Yeah.
What if Mandy's actually a really, really sexy, hot woman?
I highly doubt
listen,
that. I highly doubt
Unless
that.
Mandy
Nobody
has to
talks
hold
like
on.
that.
So
That's
she has to
hot.
send another photo, but it has to be of her holding up a sign that says BDH, like 1154.
With no top on.
Wow, we don't know if we want
Just to
that.
make sure.
We
you
don't know if we want that
fully
yet.
nude. 'Cause
Listen,
we
man.
don't know if it's a man or a woman.
Dude, she might have one innie and one outie. You know, you don't want to.
Just
You don't
saying,
want to see
I
that.
need full. I need to really understand, what I'm getting myself into here.
Man, I haven't made a trade in like an hour and a half now.
Time is it? 11:55, going into the 12 o'clock hour. ES, NASDAQ, both kind of sold down. ES pushed back up there to the VWAP. NASDAQ pushed back up, got stuck. Little pullback here again. Very kind of bearish 5-minute candle there on the ES. The NASDAQ also kind of dumping through that support there for now, but we'll see if that's going to be a trap just to send it higher, or does this continue lower again for new lows down there through the 900s next? Through the 900s there next, or is this a trap? What do you think, Alex?
I don't know. We'll see.
No idea, no feelings.
No idea.
Just not really caring.
I mean,
like, whatever.
I'm not going to trade it either way. I took profit at that literally
At the top of the move,
the very top.
on the longs.
Yeah.
You lucky boy.
Yeah, Manny would be coming after me.
Man, you're gonna be coming after you. Maybe she thinks she's really sexy. She's trying to get in your pants. She's like, maybe I'll go on Patrick's Wieland live stream and talk shit. He'll be, like back in the day when you were a kid and girls made fun of you. That was like they were flirting with you.
Maybe that's what they do
Maybe
over there in
Mandy's
Vietnam.
flirting with you. Maybe this whole thing has just been one big flirt. She's like, I'll just make fun of him, and then he'll love me.
That's how you listen. You gave her that advice a couple days ago.
I did. I was like, treat him mean, keep him keen, right? Maybe she's keep taking my advice. Actually,
Did you see the photo? Did you look it up?
well, I haven't looked at it yet. I don't want to look at it live on TV just because in case what if it's like naked. Oh god, start puking. Just in case, you never know. All right, another little like mini bear flag here. If the NASDAQ loses 920s, I think we are good to go back down there to the low of day here. It's kind of bleeding out. Apple 233 still. Sitting right there at the 920s. And dipping on down there through the 920s now. Can't you go lower? God damn it.
Yeah, I'll take
That
that.
was a nice bear flag.
Let me see.
Are you going to take it?
Yeah, I'm going to take it.
Nice.
I haven't traded anything like an hour and 15 now. This is the one we're taking.
All right, Greg is short. Greg is short. Gregory is a short. He's a short man. Tall man, but short
Tall but short.
in the pants.
Short in stature.
It's like a hockey puck.
Like a beer can. Man, I overheard somebody say that one time in high school. It just had me dying laughing. When somebody was like, it wasn't in anybody I knew either. He goes, man, so it's only about like 2-3 inches long, but it's as wide as a beer can. I'm like, what the fuck?
Where's your stop at?
So stop is at 941, which is it's a higher up stop than I usually like to do. I usually like to keep it a little tighter. And then target.
God.
Did you see it?
Dude.
Did you see it? It's already good reaction.
Bro, Get out of here. What is this? Like, is that AI photo? Come on. Like, that is
Fucking
such an
fake
AI
ass
photo.
person.
Oh,
It's a
yeah,
dude.
dude.
That is
100%.
such an AI
100%.
photo. Like, what is
100%,
this?
dude.
Look at this. You can't even see it.
Mandy AI.
Such a fucking AI photo, Mandy. Come on.
The man, the myth.
There's no way this is a real photo, Mandy. Come on. Look, I gotta do better. Like, if that's you, then I'm fucking the king of England. If that's fucking Mandy in the chat, I'm the king of fucking England, boys. You know what I mean? If that's Mandy, I'm the fucking king of England.
Chat GPT, make me look Vietnamese.
Yeah. She don't even look Vietnamese in that photo. All right, Gregory is still short here. Talk it through it, Greg. You got to talk him through it. Don't go quiet on us. Don't go into a trade and then get quiet. Talk through it.
So talk.
What are you doing? Is it holding the lows, making new highs, lows? What's going on?
I mean, it's still consolidating. So we're still consolidating the flag portion of this bear flag. We're luckily underneath the EMA, so I like that. We're underneath VWAP, so we obviously love that. This is also kind of a risky spot because I could see this could kind of be the almost new formed triple bottom that's about to start our long.
Triple bottom.
But
There it
I
goes.
like that candle. Did that candle break the? No, it still didn't break the previous candle though.
I actually like that.
You
I
like
mean, there's
that
a lot of
action?
resistance right there, but
Yeah.
it curled. It looks like it kind of wants to go lower.
Yeah, I really want it to break. I mean, if it breaks 917, I'll feel a lot better about it. So hopefully.
And your stop is where?
Stop is 941. Which again it's a high stop because I'm in at 921, so I'm risking 20, which I usually don't do. I try to only risk 10. But risking 10 puts you just barely above the EMAs, and I could definitely see it wicking above the EMA first. I really just don't want it to break 33, I guess, if I'm being honest.
Well, if you don't want it to break there, why don't you put your stop there?
Because then I get stopped out every single time, right? I put it fucking 933, it goes to 937, just barely above the EMAs, and then it'll just sink down. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Still consolidating.
Still sitting there, hasn't broken that.
No.
That candle, yeah.
See, I mean, that, so it would have gotten stopped out there. So hopefully, though, that was the sweep. What is chat saying?
I don't know.
Are they all excited? I mean, it'd be wonderful if just, yeah. If
You're
it just,
still in it. You're still in it.
if it can break this 921, I'll feel so much better.
This is not financial advice.
This is not financial advice.
Now Mandy's coming after you.
Is she?
Greg went short. I went long.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Wait, Mandy's fading you?
Yeah, now she's fading me.
Dude,
She wants to take on
the
the whole
Mandy
team.
bot is fading everybody.
Taking on the whole team. Yeah, I mean, really, we're in a consolidation phase. I like that it broke that one candle, but it didn't really do it with a lot of oomph.
Yeah, but zoom out. Look at the bigger time frames.
Yeah.
Like if you go on the 5-minute chart here, it's not terrible. I mean, we're that as long as we basically stay below those EMAs on the 5-minute chart, these
Yeah.
bears are going.
You like that stop? 941? Or would you put the stop high?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to risk
I
more
would-
than
I
20,
would go
but
targets maybe a little lower, but
yeah.
yeah, I mean, it's just we're at that consolidation in the middle of the day. We made this big move down. It's hard.
Yeah.
It's just not easy.
Not easy being a pimp. Man, what are you guys going to do without me in your lives? That's what I want.
I'm gonna make money.
Make money.
What are we gonna do without Greg? Make money.
Make money, motherfuckers.
Greg's just been making me lose money.
Shit. Oh, don't do it.
Maybe move your stop. Just move your. I mean, on this, like, what's the difference on this account? You might as well just fucking move your stop up.
Yeah, true.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. I mean,
Just
so
gonna
actually, you probably want to be
just chop
above.
around here. Some fucking
Probably be above
more.
this candle. 947 is the high.
At this point, fuck it. Everyone says, "Wait, don't move your stop." Shut up, Chad. Do what I want.
Once you start
No,
moving
no one tells
stocks,
me what to do.
Greg hasn't blown up an account yet. We want him to do it today.
Would you invite a Canadian to your mentorship? Nope, definitely no Canadians allowed.
Thinking about it.
I think I would, I would do here if I was you.
Add more.
I would add more if we break the 920s again.
Yeah.
Right? And then move your targets down. Look for a new low here. Because if we break this 920 area, I think we'd be looking real good.
Yeah. So wait for 920 break confirmation.
If 920 breaks.
Add in more. I mean, that's what I did the first time. Broke 920. I'm like, woo, let's get in.
Come on. PW, when is Reps coming to the BDH? I don't know, man. I invited him multiple times. It's just hard to get people's like schedule and everything to line up. I've invited multiple influencers.
But you
don't worry. Manny sent one more photo.
Oh.
We got one more now. We have proof. We have proof that Mandy is
AI.
not a man. It's a photo of her vagina. But I think I've seen this before on YouPorn.
Yeah.
No, look at this. Don't worry, guys. It's Mandy.
Oh, that's definitely her.
It is definitely
Yeah.
Mandy. Okay,
Yeah.
that is Mandy all day. Look at her.
Proof is in the pudding.
Mandy got the BDH. Come on, Gregory.
We owe you a huge apology.
Greg, get ready for that ad.
Yep.
Get ready for the ad, baby.
Yo, that's hilarious.
Talk it through. What do we do? I want you talking about what's going on in the trade. We made a lower high.
So we made
right?
a lower high.
All right.
We didn't make
Below
a
the
lower
stay
low
below the
yet.
40s.
We're staying
now
below.
you can move your stop to the 40s.
And we're still.
Move your stop to the 40 here. Well, not like right there. Above the candles, fucking. Yeah, up there.
Yeah. We were below the EMA, so I like that. I don't like that we're starting to dance above the EMAs now.
God damn it.
God damn.
Fuck. Move it back up. Move it back up.
God damn.
Move it back up.
I'm going to the bathroom, guys.
God damn it.
All right, double down. We're switching from micros to minis.
It's
I mean,
not-
it has the crash.
I can't. I'm done with that, dude.
Mandy is she's sitting in her pajamas right now. Sitting in her pajamas, just wrote a little letter for BDH.
Jesus, man. Man. The market.
Patrick, you teach a migrant worker how to day trade. But it'd be even funnier to find someone who doesn't speak English.
300 rubles in one day.
Indian? I was thinking like Mexican, like a migrant. I don't think
I don't
are
know what-
Indian
I don't know
workers
where
migrant
rubles are
workers.
from.
I
I
think
have
they're
no
normally
idea.
like South American. Maybe, man. Be rude, but when I think of migrant workers, I think more about like, at least in Florida, I'm thinking like
King of the South.
South American. What was Greg D1 in? Being a bitch.
Being a bitch. Track.
What college you go to?
Buffalo. University
Buffalo
of Buffalo.
University.
Yeah.
Is that a good school?
Yeah, it really was. Yeah, because they.
I mean, if they're D1, it means they're good, right?
And they get a lot of.
They have a good football team.
They get a lot of state fun. So no, but my freshman year that I went there, yes, like we made it to the championship and everything. It was fucking insane, man. We like stormed the field when we won our first game. It was a good. It was a good.
Got OnlyFans.
Good time.
I'm signing up right now. Seeing behind the scenes. Alex, don't worry, man. He's gonna give you a free OnlyFans account.
For life. Free for life. Man, good long consolidation phase. Finally,
But hey, this is again,
Back
it's like now,
below-
this is why if we get
back
that
below the
ad
EMAs.
here, it's gonna be fucking amazing.
yeah.
Let's get that ad here, baby.
Hmm.
Let's win, Greg. Let's fucking win, boys.
Win, 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 win.
Fuck everything else and win.
Win, win,
Win,
win.
win, win, win.
Man, I love when I hear Jason snickering behind me.
It's better than him sniffling. I used to have his trading desk in here, and he would always be able to blow his nose and fucking sniffling and sniffling. I'm like, bro, you got fucking, you got the
what you
COVID
got?
or what?
You got the vid?
Got the fucking COVID allergies or what, man? Fuck.
What are you doing? What is it doing? My pleasure. My pleasure. Oh, just don't break 940. Come on, Chicken Joe. Exactly. You got it.
Fucking A. I mean, it's just like, we're just stuck
Yeah,
here
it's
now.
just in a range.
Just the wrong time of day.
Yep.
Big Bag said Greg has grown on me. I didn't like his smile at first.
There
but
you
now,
go.
Now I need it.
There you go. Like Stockholm syndrome. Yeah. Finally getting to him.
I don't like that guy's smile.
I don't fucking like
Fuck
this
that
guy.
guy's smile. Why is he smiling?
Next Monday.
Stop smiling.
Can we
Stop
bring
it.
Greg back? We
Yeah.
need some positivity.
No, we're gonna want Greg back here
Pat,
smiling.
Pat just keeps calling us retards and nobody's smiling.
Someone said Manny is hot.
Hot
Oh
for
my
Alex.
God.
She
I'm kind
AI.
of jealous she's not like hating on me more.
AI hot.
Guess you don't like me.
Uh-oh.
If you believe that picture, man, you got other problems.
Yeah, that's pretty hot, bro. Especially in the pajamas right now. I can't believe Manny's trading in her pajamas.
It's the only way to
It looks like
trade.
it's daylight in Vietnam right now. I think isn't it supposed to be like nighttime in Vietnam? What time's it in Vietnam right now?
She should be sleeping.
Someone says, bro, just prepare to exit the trade.
I'm about to gray button
Just
it right
prepare.
now. Gray
Prepare
button.
to exit.
It's going up. It's going down. Gray button now.
Prepare.
Launch off. Yeah, I mean, this is like no man's land. I literally have no idea. It's just a 50-50
I mean, it's not
clip.
no man's land. It's a fucking, we're stuck below yesterday's close. If
Yeah.
it goes down, it goes. I mean, it's a fucking trade.
Yeah.
Everyone's like trying to like, oh, it's just, it is what it is. Like, we took a trade. That's all it is. We took a trade.
Put the chips out there.
You know, maybe not the best fucking entry, but like, you took it. It is what it is.
And unfortunately, like you were
If
talking
it
about
works
too,
out,
that
you're a fucking genius. If it doesn't work out, then you're a fucking moron. But that's just trading.
trading.
It's like everybody wants to like, oh yeah, but look, Patrick, you know, like this is a bad trade. It's like, it's only a bad trade if it's a fucking bad trade.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be long here, you know, like would I want to be long right here? Probably not. You know, if it goes back up, you know, whatever. Like I don't give a fuck.
But I guess like you said, I don't like that this is a weird flag shape again. It's
yeah, but like
descending in the wrong
I
direction.
mean, I don't want to like jinx it, but I think it's gonna fucking go.
Yeah, I think so too.
If we break through the 920s, it's fucking going. If we don't break 920s, well then we'll probably just chop here some more. Well, that's why if this breaks 920s, then it's like we're probably going to get an even better move. Like we're going to get a
go
nice,
lower
you know,
than
30, 40 point move down through the 900s there again. So like you can move your fucking targets lower.
Yeah.
But look, I mean, it's just stuck here now. It'll probably push back up, stop you out, and then go lower.
That's what it likes to do.
It's not that it likes to do that. It's just that's what the market does to everybody.
Yeah.
Because again, it's like if every bear flag was like, if every bear flag on the chart worked out, if every bull flag on the chart worked out, then like
Be super easy.
we'd all just be fucking billionaires, right?
Everybody would be doing it. Cost of entry.
But you had that big move down, you had a big move up. I mean, it's just at a point where the market's just gonna sit here and just consolidate and do nothing. It's the middle of the day. You know, if this was 3:30, I think we would break through there. If
Yeah.
it was, you know, 10:30.
Come on. This is the candle right here.
I always love when one of my buddies who like finds cars and stuff, he like texts me like a fucking photo of his Ferrari. I'm like, all right, well, it looks sick. What's the fucking numbers on it?
Right.
He's like, still working on the numbers. I'm
Still
like,
working
yeah, I
on
bet
it.
you are.
Don't you fucking send
So
me
the
that.
1999
Nice.
super rare. Whenever someone says super rare,
Super
it's
rare.
not good.
Yeah.
Like that is not like that's like when a dealer tells you, oh yeah, it's super
rare.
You're like, oh god.
Only a couple of them have this
That
color.
means that it's fucking super expensive.
Yeah. So why is it super rare? What model is it?
Let's see it.
I always wanted like the Ferrari 360 Spider. That was my like little kid dream car.
I think it's a Modena.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty fucking sick. So,
Oh yeah, that's sick. Yeah.
got the gated. It's gated,
Yeah.
which is sick.
Yeah, yeah.
Gated's nice.
Yeah, that's the car I'm talking about. The Spider is just the convertible
the-
version.
Can't really see it there, but silver.
Super sick.
I'm just worried it's gonna be fucking super expensive.
Super rare.
You got it. Man, this is a long trade. 57. 18 minutes so far.
All right, NASDAQ just chopping around here. Greg is in the shorts, but this is barcoding here now. Classic. So the question is, if we break the range to the upside here, can we squeeze back up? If we break the range to the downside, then we dump straight
Squeeze
back,
back
down.
down.
So the moment of truth.
Just don't want it to break. 940s.
Certain Mix-a-Lot's old Ferrari. I don't know. Maybe. I don't think so.
What was your very first car?
My very
Is
first
your
car.
wife in
Yeah.
the chat?
What's that?
Is your wife in the chat?
No. No. I saw that comment though. I think they're saying Mandy is my wife.
No, someone's put Greg's wife as their name
Oh, no way.
and said you better win.
Dude, that's so
Greg's wife.
That's super funny actually.
It's probably Mandy.
It probably is Mandy. She's hitting all the accounts. Greg's wife.
I think now you could probably just fuck. I don't know. I would say you could maybe move your stop down even more, but
Yeah, to like here. I mean, it seems like it's respecting. If it pops that, I agree. It's going to go up to like 952 or
yeah,
something
I mean,
at the
it
very
should
least.
push probably back up there to the 60s or so. So
Yep.
like kind of like no reason to give up 7 more points for nothing.
Yeah.
There's definitely a winning strategy to fading Alex and Greg.
We just have to find it perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. This might be the candle. I know, we just saw that.
Mandy's got 2 accounts. It's Mandy and then Greg's wife.
Well, chat, not looking too good. But you never know. Maybe that was the confusion.
What?
Like kind of dancing it up to that 940. Be like, oh, never mind. Now we're going to dance it down. Volume is decreasing.
I mean, what time is it?
12:18.
Yeah.
Come on, do something. What the
something.
fuck?
Do math.
Literally, the moment that you enter this trade, it's just done nothing but
Literally.
go nowhere.
Though, of course, if it was the reverse right now, that'd be nice because at least they'd be up like 10, 15.
Come on.
This is
Come
it.
on.
This is the
Let's
push.
start growing here. Let's get. I want to see if we can start to speed up here. ES is at the low, like trying to break through. The NASDAQ's trying to break through. Come on, boys. This is it. This is the moment in time
Woo!
to go.
Let's do it. We can do it together, chat.
Just got to break the fucking 20s here.
Let's all hold hands. Oh, almost to break even.
Come on. Are you going to add here?
We're
what are you
out.
thinking? Are you adding or what?
I'm getting out.
You're getting out?
I'm kidding.
I'm out. Break even.
Fuck, I'm done.
I'm over it.
I saw green.
Fucking win. I win. I win.
I saw green.
There's no way it's going to just turn your fucking entry into support here, right? There's no way. It's impossible.
They're fading Greg. The market makers.
The market makers.
They want those cons. Those five. Those five.
They want those fucking micro
Those
contracts.
5 micros.
Such bullshit, Greg. It's going to hit. I'm telling you, it's going to hit. It's going. Come
Gonna
on, chat.
hit.
Let's go, Greg. Let's go, Greg. Let's go, Greg. Let's go, Greg. Hey, Mandy, suck on my big old black dick. You fucking AI weirdo fucking dude in Vietnam, you fucking freak. Yeah, fade everybody. Yeah, fade them, Mandy, fade them.
Just a finicky one today.
Hey, you're still in it.
Still in it to win it. 20 minutes in.
But also, like, hey,
Battling.
This is good. This is like, you want this,
Yeah.
right? You're like, this is like where you.
This is what I
This
need.
is where you evolve. This
Yeah.
is where you become a trader and not just a fucking gambler
Yeah.
and a guesser. Because you're
100%
like,
agree.
hey, I fucking set through this trade. I believed in it. I had my theory. Again, like, you didn't have the best entry here.
Yeah.
But like, hey, you still, like, we're in it, right? Like, this is part of it. You're gonna go through trades that are gonna be like this. Right? Just because the trade pushed back up and chopped for fucking 30 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever, doesn't mean that it's a bad trade.
Right.
Right? It's just the market's consolidating. The more that it consolidates above that 920 level, the more I'm like, fuck. Like, this thing's primed up. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, squish
it's
that
almost
watermelon
better that
seed
we're
out.
consolidating just sitting there. So it's like, if we do get that follow through, if we get the fucking move that we want, then we're fucking gravy. We're like, we're golden. You know,
Yeah.
we're getting the fucking gravy.
Yeah. Come on, let's get the gravy today.
Let's get that gravy right
Let's
here,
get some gravy.
right now. We got to make $300 on this trade. 300 to get them green on the day. Let's go, baby.
So-
Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Patrick
Let's do
Wieland.
it together. Let's do it together.
Patrick Wieland.
Hold on.
Trump's
Before
talking
we get
right
too
now.
excited,
Oh, fuck.
yeah.
Trump's talking.
Where should my other price
Putin
targets
doesn't
be?
stop war, he'll face consequences.
Where
Who
would
wrote
you?
that caption? If Putin doesn't stop war, if he doesn't stop war,
What are you asking?
Would you put all price targets at the
You did, you added. Perfect.
a new
Good job.
low or no?
Yeah, just fuck it. Let it ride.
Just
What's
let
the
it
point? You sit through for you gotta be like, hey, my time's what's your time worth?
Yeah.
You know, you spent fucking 20 minutes sitting there watching this thing go nowhere. Now
So now
you're
it's
like,
got to
I'm
go.
fucking,
Yeah,
I
now it's
wanna
got to go
get
deep.
more.
It's got to go deep.
I want to get more on it. Come on, boys. Here
Come
we go.
on.
I would take those. I'd take those a little lower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe put one like right below. Yeah, right there.
Right at the
and then
little
one's a
wiki?
little, maybe like one right below 905. Right, just to like play into that. Take some off. A little partial.
905, right below 905.
Right below 905. Are you moving it? There
Yeah,
you go.
there we go.
It filled there at 905.
Let's do it.
Patrick,
Let's
someone
do
in the
it.
chat said, Patrick, tell him to get out now.
Get out. Gray button.
Hey, Greg, somebody told me to get out now.
Gray button, guys. Gray button.
Oh, fuck.
Every
I take
time.
no responsibility for this, okay? I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. I don't know why anybody would listen to me. Like, I mean, honestly, think about it. Like, you'd have to be a fucking crazy person to like think that I have an idea what I'm doing. I mean, that's what's crazy about this. Like, that's how, like, how is the fact that there's 3,000 people watching me on YouTube is just crazy. 5,000, 6,000 people, you know, like how, what's wrong with the world? Fucking A. What a dumb trade. If this pops all, like, it's just stumped. Fucking Trump talking.
Yeah.
Powell will be long gone when the building renovation's in. Like, what the fuck? Why is he's at the Kennedy Space Center talking about Powell right now?
Just
why?
give Sylvester Stallone his little
Why?
medal.
Why?
So where would you still have all the stops at 940?
Nah. To be honest, I probably would have gotten out.
Yeah. So
But I mean, I'm just letting you. You got to learn somehow.
let her ride.
I mean, it's the bear flag is still valid.
Yeah.
You know, it's just let her ride.
That
It is what it is.
Sound like a good bang.
That's your Tesla. That's your Tesla getting clean, sir. We have this new feature. We just hit it a bunch of times.
Yeah,
and it
like
makes
just
clean.
bang it out.
Bang, bang, bang. Oh, what a stupid trade.
There's still hope.
It's a lonely business, but not Mandy lonely. God damn it. I mean, this is one of those trades. Like, again, this is just a fucking unlucky trade.
You gotta take
That's
it.
all that is.
Yeah,
It's just
you
a
gotta
fucking
take
unlucky
it.
trade. You know, like, it's fucking stupid. This thing pushing back up, it makes no sense. It is what it is. It's just like stupid. Fucking A.
Well, we still got
Fucking
another one.
A. What a dumb trade.
Is it gonna hit?
This is also why we don't trade in the middle of the day. So
Yeah. 12:30. Yeah, all of them out.
Greg is trading micros, yes.
But still, we had 10 on. That's one. That's one
I mean,
mini.
it's
10 on's one mini.
Dang.
It's just then you can
Patrick,
sell that
how was
one
that
mini.
trade stupid? He had over 20 points and didn't lock it in. I mean, I just think it's the fact, like, me personally, I look at this chart and I'm like, how the fuck, like, I don't know.
Yeah.
In all reality, it's like, you're going to just magically guess that the market's going to bounce off 908 again, Like,
Yeah.
that's your just like, oh yeah, 908 is going to be support here. We're going to bounce and go back up now. Haha, like.
Well,
It's just the world that we're living in, man. When Trump's talking, the fucking market just does whatever the fuck it wants.
which means we gotta wait for the next one. Though watch, it probably still is gonna be.
Oh, it'll probably.
It's gonna dump. It's gonna
someone
dump.
needed to fucking dump it here.
Yeah, man. It wants to dump. It looks like it wants to dump.
I thought you said everyone that trades micros isn't a trader. I said every influencer that trades micros. Greg is literally he
Brand
just
new.
started learning how to trade.
Fucking futures 2 weeks
For
ago.
a beginner trader, micros are great.
Yeah.
Yes, we could have locked in half. He could have took in profit. I get it, guys. It's just like at this point, it's like in this account, he's down on the day right now 500. So it's just like,
Yeah. That could have.
we're going for a bigger trade there.
Yeah. Could have saved it. Could have saved it.
It sucks. I wish we would have locked it in, but we didn't. And that's all we can do.
But we're ready for the next one now.
I mean, do you feel like upset? Are you mad that you didn't lock it in?
No.
No.
It's not
He
real
doesn't
money.
care. He's always
Who the
smiling.
fuck cares?
Either way, he's
I mean, at the end of
happy.
the day, yeah, who the fuck cares?
They're
It's a
evals.
free account, and it's an eval account. What I do care about, though, is I do care about, making dumb mistakes and things like that. Like
it's like-
I wouldn't consider
I
this
think
a dumb
it's good
mistake.
to go through those kind of trades, like
Right.
to hold through those trades and be like, "Yep, okay,"
Yeah.
like,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
gotta, like you got to build up patience somehow.
Yeah, exactly.
When you first got here, you were taking like 2-point
Everything.
trades, and you thought you were a genius. You're like, "Look, I just got out."
got
Like,
it
what?
again. Got it again.
How'd you get out already? You're like, I just got out 2
Yeah.
points.
Yeah,
Like
Yeah.
you're never gonna make money getting out for 2-point winners.
I agree, man. So it's been right.
So as a
Insurmountable.
trader, you just got to go through those, like those trades where you have to sit there and kind of.
and
let it
feel
do
it.
its
Yeah,
thing.
so you can get comfortable with it. So
Yeah.
next time,
You're not
it
gonna-
is a
you're not
big
gonna become
winner.
a better day trader by not being uncomfortable.
Right, you gotta be
You got to be
comf-
uncomfortable to become comfortable.
Yeah, exactly.
I read that in a book somewhere. I think Buddha said that.
Buddha.
You got to be uncomfortable to be comfortable.
Who do
You
we?
got to learn to be uncomfortable so that you can become comfortable.
We had
the bumper sticker or
the
something.
Dalai Lama came to UB to make a speech one time. Yeah, I got to meet
the Dalai Lama.
Yeah, I got to meet the Dalai.
The Lolly Ladama.
Yeah, man. The head cheese.
Trump, we should be 3 or 4 points lower. Talking about Powell still.
He's done speaking now.
Now he's done talking, but
All right, full port. Full port. What direction?
ES is just kind of chopping around there. I mean, NASDAQ, like, I still think she's going to go lower, but fucking A. If we lose that 20s again, I would not be surprised if we just fucking dump straight down there.
Yeah, finicky thing.
Back to the 920s again.
Yeah, I don't know. There's really not much more you could do. If the stop was any higher, then that could have potentially blown the account too if we tried to let it ride.
Because you were in 10.
Yeah, it's a good move. Let's see a nice little bear flag here. Then we'll pop back in.
I mean, it's 12:30.
I know, it's good.
Same thing's probably going to happen. Just going to chop around.
Yeah.
Do nothing.
Chop City. Oh, Or's gonna fucking
Oh, would you look at that?
sink
Would you
right
look at
now.
that?
Pay out for you.
Or's gonna sink right
Would you look
now,
at that?
dude.
Oh
my God.
All the way down to
See?
900.
This is what I fucking hate. This is what I fucking hate about this shit.
898.
Motherfuckers on the fucking chat.
1, 2, 3,
talking
4,
so
5.
much shit about how this is a dumb short.
We were 5
look.
minutes away.
Look,
After holding for 23 minutes, we were 5 minutes away from the move we wanted.
it's so stupid.
Yep. But I don't know, again, just shows that we were in the right spot. We just got to tweak it a little bit. Just tweak it a little bit, and we got it. Good experiences.
What would you have done different?
All right, they need to do anything. They got to take us offline here in a minute. All right, well, we'll be done in like 15 minutes, if that makes, or we can be done sooner. So, got the IT guy here. He's some IT stuff. Well, I mean, is they're here right now? All right, well,
It's a good way to do
we'll
it.
We'll be done in 5 minutes.
Full port of trade and then shut
Just
it
basically
down.
whatever, do your thing
Yeah.
and then cut us
And
off.
just see what it does.
Just let it hit stop.
Just let it ride. Have you guys
Maria
ever-
says, talk to Patrick about your plan. You have an opportunity of a lifetime. You're not taking advantage of his knowledge.
An opportunity of
I
a
like
lifetime.
Maria, you want to come to the BDH?
She hasn't been here enough. I mean, this is day 8 now of asking questions.
True.
And
We
talking
talked
through
also
it.
off
and-
camera a lot.
Yeah,
you know?
there's been
When we were all laying in bed last night together.
there's been a lot of
Hey, look,
talking.
is that your? No, that's. Wait. I was going to say UAB,
Oh, UAB.
University of Alabama.
UB?
Where-
Yeah, I saw some
what's
UB
Buffalo?
people in the chat. The Bulls, Buffalo Bulls.
What's the name? UB?
Yeah, UB, University
not
of Buffalo.
UAB.
Nah. UB?
UB! All right. Well, on the day right now, boys, I got bad news.
Uh-oh.
I got real bad news.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if I'm ever going to recover from this.
You're up 7,000.
I'm only up $10,785 on the
Uh-oh.
day here on my personal account.
Damn.
I could just go ahead and, like I said yesterday, I could just never trade ever again. And I have done something that Ice-T will never do his whole entire life: make real money trading a live account. Start this account out this month with $50,000, and now we're up to $72,225.
200.
How do I do it? Well, I got that short below the 20s right there. I know that. I'll be getting that like that real quick.
You opened this on Monday?
No, beginning of August.
Okay.
But I didn't trade it I didn't trade it all last week because you guys were here and I didn't want to fuck around with it. But now that
Now
I
it's
just
getting
decided that I'm
serious
ready.
again.
I'm ready to fuck around with it.
You're ready. You're focused.
I mean, it's real capital. It's real money, man. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it fucking around.
Yeah.
No profit split. You gotta love that. Trading your own account.
Yeah. That's what I'm about to do.
100% profit, baby. When I get my payout, I just be like, how much do I get? 100%. 100% of my payout is mine because it's my money.
That's what I'm about to do on Friday. Do it with my personal account. Win either way.
The what?
What do you mean?
Gonna use my personal account Friday instead of a
Oh,
top
are
phone
you?
account.
Yikes.
No drawdown.
Going in with 100 grand. You gotta win.
Fuck your drawdown.
50 contracts. All right. Well, I think this is a good time to walk away. Now we're just down here chopping around. I would have thought that we would take out that 900s right there, but
Yeah,
clearly they're liking it there for now.
What a
so.
random crazy candle too. Huge volume at what is that? 10:30.
Yeah.
10:30. Just a lot of random.
Patrick, what did I do? What did I do to switch from trading prop accounts to trading your own? I actually I took some of the same rules from the prop firm accounts and I applied them to my personal account. So I have a max loss.
Yeah,
The
that's a
most
good
that I
one.
can lose in one day is $10,000. The maximum amount of size that I can trade is 10 contracts. So like I basically thought about like, okay, when I was trading with Tradeify, when I was trading with, Take Profit Trader or whatever it is, like when I did really well, what was it that I did well? I basically know that like I need a little bit of drawdown, right? Because in
Yeah.
the morning I was down like $4,000.
Right.
I came back. I know that's part of my trading, right? And I think people forget about that. The first trade of the day that I went into, you take a loss. It's like
Yeah.
fuck. All right, but again, it's like it goes back to the theory, right? If you're trading at 80%, 70% win rate, the first trade of the day might be a loser. It might. Like
Yeah.
the first fucking trade of the day could be a losing trade.
Right.
But then it's like after that, like where
Might
do we
be
come
green,
back
green,
from
green,
that?
green.
And like what's my back? So I look at it as like, okay, if I'm losing $3,000 on a trade, that basically gives me like 3 to 4 trades a day
Yeah.
that I can like take and have losing trades. Like, am I gonna have 4 losers in one day? Maybe, sometimes, but a majority of the time I'm not.
Right.
So that giving
Stacking
myself
some
$10,000 kind of max loss on the day, kind of like, hey, all right, I can manage this, right? My first trade of the day, if I'm red, it is what it is. We move on to the next. We got that short there earlier. Fucking Greg crushed it. So-
Crushed on a short. We had one phenomenal trade today. Yeah, I do like
Yeah, but
that.
like that's in your experience, like before today, like how many really good trades can you like remember when it came to like
That I was
trading
actually,
futures?
yeah, and this is like fully in the driver's seat and everything. Like the stop is definitely going to be profitable and everything. So
Yeah.
that was a phenomenal trade. It was a good feeling. So it's a good feeling that I would like to
See, but
recreate.
now it's like now that you know that feeling of what it's
Yeah.
like being a good trade. Now
Yeah,
you
like,
can
fucking,
like,
all right, we gotta
you
get
know, in the
another one
future
of
when
those.
you're in that trade, you can feel that same way.
Yeah.
And I think, like we said, with that short at the downside, I mean,
We could have squeezed something out of it.
you could have squeezed something out of it. That also could have been a big trade. Like that could have been a big trade. That
And
could
that's
have-
the thing. At the end of the day, we want to actually work towards a payout instead of just preserving capital and stuff like that. So
Well, you
yeah,
also wanna
we
look-
need
you wanna
big
work-
trades now. Yeah.
you want to work towards the idea of getting good big trades. Like,
Yeah.
the majority of your trades won't be amazing trades.
Yeah.
But you're going into every trade thinking like, okay, if we lose this 920 area, there's a good potential. Like we have a good,
Right.
good room. We break 920s here. It's like the low so far is 891. There's room to the downside here.
And it wasn't a huge loss either, like a $150
No.
loss on 10 contracts and feeling comfortable about it and everything else. The risk to reward
Yeah.
was, beautifully
You
there.
just don't want to you don't want to undersell yourself all the time. I think a lot of people, they get caught in this whole pattern where they're like every trade they go into, they're like, I'll get whatever I get. I'll
Yeah.
get a quick
Yeah,
profit, quick
yeah,
profit,
whatever I
quick
can
profit.
get, whatever I can
And this
get.
is like
Yeah.
mentally, you can't function on a consistent long term
Yeah.
basis where
makes a
you're
lot of
like
sense.
every trade cannot just be a fucking quick trade. Because you're gonna
Because then you
burn
hold-
out.
yeah,
It's just
and-
like you can't-
and
you gotta
you'll
have
hold those
trades where
losers.
you're like, hey, I like this. This is a good trade.
This
Like,
feels
is,
good.
I'm gonna really hold this trade.
Milk
I'm gonna,
this.
I'm gonna milk this motherfucker
Milk this
because
cow.
this is a good setup.
Yeah.
You got to be looking for those setups where you're like, hey, this thing,
Yeah.
there's a reason to be short here. There's a reason to be long. Whatever it is, I'm looking for that high of day, the low of day. I want to have some type of goal
Yeah.
with that trade. I want to see the potential. If you're going into every single trade and the first thing you think about is taking profit,
Yeah,
you're
it's
never
green.
gonna fucking get a
Green.
big trade.
Straight button.
And like we said before, you need those big trades to kind of average off the losers.
Right.
If you have 3 losing trades, you lose $100 on each trade. Okay, you're down 300. If you have one good trade,
You can't just make
and you're
100.
up 500. Now
Yeah.
you've wiped out the $300 loss, and you've also up $200.
Yeah.
Like obviously we're not trying to trade our P&L, but at the same time, it's like I want to be
Gotta
thinking
be
about it.
aware.
Like I
You gotta
want
be aware
big
of it.
trades also.
Yeah.
Like I need to have some big trades. Like I think like even today I'm up 10,000, but there was plenty of trades where I could have, milked it a little bit
Take
more,
a little more
you know?
and stuff, right?
So that's also the problem too, is I think I'm at a point now where like mentally I just get so fucking like the idea of being red at the end of the day is worse than like putting on good trades.
Yeah.
Just because of like living in the spotlight that I live in, you
Right.
know, like constantly everybody, oh, he had a red day,
36,000.
what a fucking
See,
moron.
I told them that Patrick
You know, first
sucked.
trade of the day he lost on. He fucking
Yeah.
sucks. He sucks.
Terrible.
What a terrible trader. You know, Patrick Wieland fucking sucks. Why does anybody watch this guy? Why would anybody buy his course? He sucks.
This might be
And that's
kind of.
also like that's a bunch of broke people in the chat talking.
Yeah.
That's the funny part too. Like you think rich, successful traders come to this live stream to talk shit? You think
No.
Mandy's a successful trader talking shit about
Yeah, right.
Alex? You think she woke up this morning and was like, guys, I'm gonna go and make fun of Alex
Yeah.
because I'm successful in life, you know? This fucking guy.
This is
Alex,
what's
I
gonna
just-
bring me joy and
I hate
happiness.
Alex's face,
That
so I'm gonna
fucking
go
guy.
trade and on the live stream and make fun of them.
Dude, I love that video they made about us. That shit
I
was
think
so
this
funny.
hat is on the Only Prop Firm's website.
I didn't see any merch on the website. Do you actually have
See, but
merch?
I'm so pissed off because my people, they don't fucking but I'm trying to people be like, where do you get
Trying
that,
to make
man?
some money here.
Yeah,
Let's
the new
see.
website we're building out should have a way better merch
I don't
store, but it
see.
is on the website.
I don't see
People
any
always
merch.
ask about it, but they never actually buy anything.
How can you
Like,
find it?
I've had so many people in the chat be like, where do you get that at? But no one will buy it. Like right now, I'll be like, hey, look, guys, here's the website. Go buy it. And then no one will
So look
buy
at
it.
this. So me as a person, I'm trying to go in to buy Pat Wieland's t-shirt.
Onlypropfirms.com/shop.
Oh yeah, but there's no button for shop. You know what you have to do?
Yeah, exactly.
You have to
See?
scroll all the way to the bottom,
Yeah,
look
see?
at company,
I
and then
know.
right above the about us.
I've been telling my people this. They don't
Wow,
believe me.
these
My
are-
website people don't
These are
believe me.
$30 shirts that we're rocking right here.
What
Look
is
at
that
that.
ICT sketch shirt?
That was my can't even, the ICT. It's the inner circle trader.
Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
I think this Greg needs this one right
That's
here.
the one,
the
man.
hoodie. I'm gonna get Greg this hoodie for Christmas.
I need that.
Maybe get it. You can. What size is your wife? Your wife's walking around town wearing a big dick house shirt.
Dude, you can get it for.
I went to fucking the store the other day and I was wearing the big dick house shirt,
I almost did that.
and the woman at the store was like, "How big is it?"
Yeah.
I'm like,
No fucking
I swear to
way.
God.
How big?
Because I had the. I was
Let's
like,
talk
oh,
about
no,
this.
It's just like a joke, because like the rooster. She goes,
Yeah.
"No, I bet it's big." And I was like,
Yeah.
"Oh, you a freak, huh?
Yeah.
You a freaky freak."
Getting a little discount?
Mandy said it's okay for a PW to make fun of us, but we can't do it to him and his friends. Mandy, you're not a real person.
Yeah.
Like you're not like go like
You're an AI.
put your real name on there and stop pretending to be a woman, and then we won't make fun of you, or it won't be the same, But like, yeah, we got some t-shirts, we got some stuff going on there. I'm not trying to make money, honestly. Like I'm not trying to get rich off fucking t-shirts, so I'm not like that's not my goal, but. We put some stuff out there. I like these shirts.
You gotta
The
put some of
liquidated
those
shirts.
some of those water bottles on there now.
Oh yeah, and the water bottle.
Trying
What? Oh, that one.
Your water bottle that he got you.
Greg trying to fucking
to get that plug
yeah,
again.
get that plug.
Sneak that plug in there.
All right, well there it is. I don't know if we call it a successful day,
Man,
but it was a day.
it was a day. We learned stuff. That's all we're trying to do.
Should I say my P&Ls?
Ooh, let's hear your P&Ls,
Well,
bro.
someone asked.
What?
All right.
What's the worst
I got
first?
two. Yeah, I got two take profit accounts. One is liquidated. Gone.
Liquidated.
Go.
The other one up 645.
Nice.
Okay.
My fund of futures, 106.
Nice.
All right. So what would be the account that
Don't
you're
you
proud
fucking
of today?
don't you spin to me, Jason.
No, I'm
Don't
not
you
proud of
spin
any
to
of
me,
them.
man. This fucking
I'm not proud
guy.
of it.
What do you
Any of
think? What was what was the hurdle? What do you think was the hard part today for you?
I wanted to go higher for some reason.
Yeah. I mean, it's hard. You see the market pre-market, just going straight up. It's like you're primed and ready, right? We're at all-time highs. Mentally, you're like, all right,
Yep.
we're going to go higher. Market's going to go higher. Like, I was the same way. I was fucking long.
Yeah, and I held that long, way too long, too. I
Held
held
long,
it
way too long.
held it way too long. I held it from 92 down to 53. So that's the thing that kind of messed me up is I needed a tighter stop there.
Well, I mean,
Yeah, I
It's-
should have
it
put it
just-
underneath those candles. I
The
should have
thing
put it at
too, like, the
76.
thing too is like today was one of those days where like you had some good trades where
Yeah.
like if the market was really trending and like getting some big moves in it and it was like really
Yeah.
moving,
Get some
like you
good
would be
meat.
very green right now. You
Get
know what
some
I mean?
good
Like
meat out of
because you
it.
had some good setups that had
Yeah.
potential to give you 50 points, you
Yeah.
know, 100 points, whatever it was. So it's just how it is sometimes. It's Wednesday, it's the middle of the week. We're at the all-time highs. We don't have a lot of news going on. Trump was fucking speaking.
Yeah.
You know, I think people get so just like caught up in this game where they're like, I had a red day. I'm terrible. Like,
Yeah.
no, you took
Just a red day.
setups, you had a plan,
We learned from
didn't
it.
work out, and then we come back, right? Like we come back for another day.
Come back tomorrow. Make some money.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yep.
So
Let's do it.
there it is. I'm gonna walk
Go
away
team,
up
we did it.
$10,000 on the on my personal live funded account here. Obviously, I blew those evals just to be transparent this morning, going full retard at the open. I for sure thought that we were gonna get like at least a fucking just a boner. Yeah, no, it was dumb. But either way, the personal account is all that matters. It's real money. We're getting paid, and
Real money.
it is what it is. So big thank you guys for tuning in. Another day, another dollar. We'll be back. Martin Suarez bought a hat. Let's go. Somebody finally bought a hat.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're rich, boys. We're going to Chipotle. We can only get one bowl, though. Only one bowl.
Are we the ones that have to pack it up though?
What?
We're
You
your
trying to pack my bowl, bro?
are we your fulfillment center? We got to start packing up hats for you.
Yeah. I'm gonna put you to work. All right. Well,
Back
there
in
it
one
is.
hat.
Big
So
thank
we
you
do
guys for tuning in.
upstream.
Look, NASDAQ's now it's going lower. Yeah. That's the best part. Is like, look at your fucking short
Dude,
there.
by 4 minutes. I was off by 4 minutes and I was off by 3 points or something like that.
Fuck. I mean, honestly,
But you
in
can't.
hindsight,
Yeah. Well,
I guess, you know, we
and
probably could
originally,
have kept if you'd have kept your stop there at the 940s.
yeah, originally it was higher. But the reverse could have happened too. If I was holding
Yeah.
10 and it went up to the 40s, that would have been another 10 points.
See,
times
these
10.
are kind of like, again, it's like it goes back to like at least you were correct in the overall direction.
Yeah.
You weren't fighting the
Just a
trade. You
little
weren't fighting
refinement.
it.
Just a little,
You just had like it was just a stupid
Yeah.
stop. That's all it was.
little refinement.
You know, like
I feel positive about it.
that's the one thing I think when you look at a losing trade, sometimes you can look at it and be like, hey, like, were you totally wrong? Were you just like absolutely fucking wrong with your idea? Or were you just like, you needed to kind of focus on that entry?
Yeah.
Because, you know, here as well, though, if you think about it, if you would have had a better entry, like let's say you would have had your entry up here at like the 930s,
Right.
then your stop would have probably been 940s.
Well, and the first one too
You
was
probably
just
would have taken profit on a 30-point move down.
yeah.
So again, it's just like entry is everything,
Yep.
right? Entry is everything. I mean, that's like the bane of our existence.
That was a long trade.
You can
to
be
hold,
right
too.
about the trend, you can be right about the move, but if you don't get the right entry, it don't matter.
Yeah.
And that's also like holding those trades too. Is like when you have a good entry, it's much easier to hold on to a trade,
Yeah.
right? Like if you have a good entry and you feel good about it, and you're like, oh, I'm fucking,
Yeah. We're in the
I'm in
driver's
the
seat.
right, you know, I'm in the right spot. It's like way easier to hold those trades. The worst trades to hold are the ones where you have to like sit there and, you know,
The butthole.
sit there and like watch the red.
Yeah, you're all
You know,
sphinctered
nothing
up.
worse than having to sit in a trade and you're like, it's getting closer to your stop loss, getting closer to your stop loss, getting closer to your stop loss, and
Oh,
you're
yeah.
just watching it and you're watching it and you're just like mentally, you're
Just feeling that butthole.
you're going into
just,
like you go into panic mode because now
just
you're like,
really
fuck.
whistling. Get a good whistle.
You know, if it could just go
Yeah.
back to break even, if it just goes back to break even, you know, I'd be so happy, right? Life would be so good.
Yeah.
But I mean, the short was there. I don't think you were wrong with the short.
No,
by
I'm
any
not.
means.
I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad
So-
about it. We had an opportunity.
Just kind of that was just a weird fucking setup there, to be honest. I think Trump talking didn't help. I wouldn't be surprised if the NASDAQ doesn't just take out this 900 level and move down here later on today.
Yeah, I think
End
so.
of day could move back down there. You know, 829s. The bigger picture, pretty clear. It's not rocket science. The trend is moving lower. Yeah.
So put one on it and walk away.
She put one on and walk away, he said.
I mean,
There you go.
I mean, should we?
Put one on and walk. I'll use walk away either way. Your best plan.
The best plan.
I mean, I'm even like, yeah, it's funny because the more that you see, like the more that you watch a setup like kind of unfold, and then you watch it finally, like now it's breaking down. You're like, fuck, I got to get in.
That's
right?
the
Like,
one.
I wouldn't have gotten in when it was
Yeah.
at 930, but now that it's at
Now
900,
getting itchy.
now that it's at
Yeah.
900, I want to get in, right? It's a good time to get in.
She's
Maybe not.
primed. She's primed for it.
Yeah, I mean, again, props to Greg.
Hey!
You're making progress. You know,
I think so,
progress.
man.
I think you're still fucking. You're way too giggly and happy all the time, but
That's just
we gotta
me.
make you a little mad or sad
Gotta
or
get him-
something.
gotta get him
you get
pissed
a little
off.
mad. Get a little madder.
Yeah.
You had some
So-
good trades though.
Yeah,
for sure.
thanks, man.
Yeah.
You guys too.
I mean, I held his hand, but you know, it is what it is.
Listen, that first one, that was mine.
Yeah, the first one that blew my account, that was mine.
The
Okay.
one that he made the 10 grand on. Greg.
All right, well, there it is. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. We're out of here. We got the IT guy here. He's going to make the internet way faster. So that way you guys can stream
Internet
full
connected
retardation
shooters.
at full power.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I heard.
Yeah,
power.
Full 8K.
That's what Mandy said.
Mandy's fucking reloading her AI image right now. Hold on a second. All right. I guess it's there. Fuck, I'm like watching it. It's gonna break 900s. I kind of just like want to be here just to watch it break 900s again. Look at it. There it goes, breaking 900.
Would you just look at
Fucking A, Greg. You would be up 40 points right now, Greg.
Genius. Would have been a
Fucking A,
genius.
Greg. Look at that. Oh. And the funny thing is the chart just talked so much shit. I mean, the
chart?
the chat.
I mean, the chart's kind of talking a little bit of shit too.
The chart was definitely talking some shit. All right. Fuck it. Let's just walk away. Because if
We're
I if I fuck with it now, then I'd just be retarded.
Yeah.
I'm up $10,000. No point in trying to chase this. Look at this.
It just
Making
did it.
new lows.
Oh.
There's
It
your
just
targets.
did it.
There's your targets, Greg. Fucking A, man.
Hey, you win some, you lose some.
Yep.
Hell yeah. I mean,
That's it.
at least, hey, you can like walk. I said, you can like, even though you got stopped out, you can still walk away and be like, hey,
We can walk tall.
I at least was like, I was not trying to get long, right?
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to get long down there, and then it stopped me out. Like I was trying to get short.
Yeah, it was
I
the right
just got stopped
direction.
out on the fuckery.
You just need some subtle.
Real. There it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We're back for 2 more days. That's right. 2 more days of fucking craziness live at the BDH. There's nobody doing it like this, chat. I'm telling you, I don't just say that because of my ego. I say it because it's the truth. There ain't nobody out there that's doing it like this. And you know what they say? If you big and you the largest, well, maybe you the biggest and the largest. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Tony Coles.
Hey,
Tony Coles.
safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitching my archives. Jordan came back, so the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali blood weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets and runts. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some, I had to stunt. Right rich, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting and punching. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.